protect your brain, so my son.
Boy, mommy, I go for relax. I drink up too much rum right now. I don't feel good.
Oh, God. Oh, shit. Oh, God. But was it worth it?
Yeah.
Well, that's half the battle. That's half the battle. But me know something else to put in your mind, you know.
Yeah.
Me know you.
And your friend daughter, I want to know because I like her. Me, I wonder if nothing can go on for me.
What, Chin?
Yeah, she say one.
No, sir. Wanna grow more like brother and sister.
But we no brother and sister.
Wanna sleeping in the same cot, man. Wanna grow together, you know.
But we stop sleeping in the same cot now. Can't sleep back in the same cot now. That's what I'm telling you, someone want her now. Put her in my bed this time.
No, my son. There's plenty women out there, you know. Me now say you can't have feelings, but
So we not gonna look good together. One black and one brown. One curry and one browning.
And everybody knows so no grow so. On the band so me and Candy is so.
But they know so we no family. They know that. Yeah.
So what you gonna provide for you? You can't do that, man.
Me I'm gonna provide for you. And man, me
better
can
you
hustle.
Better you look something for yourself. Get a job, get a work. Stand up on your own foot first.
Better me take her up first. Then I say, alright, how you go? Then we can go hustle up some money and say, yeah. From her partner, she can't hungry, you know. Anything she wants, she get that.
So,
and plus, Mr. Boy, I not too cookie neither, you know. But me cook be mackerel and rice feeding pan.
and who want that?
No,
Which young girl want mackerel and rice every day?
You see better she eat it, so why she can't eat it?
No. Stand up on your own foot first. Get a job. Get your own money. Then you know, so you're independent, and then you can go look a woman.
But if me go look at money first, then me go look at woman. The woman not gonna want me. And money she gonna want. But time I go to her without the money in my pocket and see if you think we work out. If you work out, you know, say, alright, and me she want the money she want, you know. So if I broke today or tomorrow, she not go left the next day. So we go and build back with me and build on some style.
But Chin, really? You drop on your head jawbone. Why you have to really look there so?
So what do Chin so? Your friend come.
Hey, what? Give thanks.
One mother-in-law.
Me give thanks. I went picnic drop.
Mother-in-law, what go on? Good morning.
Shani. How are you doing? You drunk?
He must be still drunk. He got a rum bar yesterday. He must have still their name and he's still high.
You drunk?
Must he?
You know, tell him say you is my best friend, but you know say my head no good and me mad, me psycho.
Him born in your hand, him know that.
So you know, tell him say a 10th floor you can't take me from. And you know, tell him say you forgot to collect my medication them from the people them up there. Tell him don't play with me. What you mean, mother-in-law?
You come.
I'm here rank with you and no manners. Boy, me a big woman for you. Me and your mother is friend. Don't talk while I'm talking and no call me no Candy.
Miss Candy.
Miss Candy for you, of course.
Yes, me in love with
Be
the
a man
daughter.
blast after all.
Yeah.
Who the hell you think you is?
You can make something work out,
You
man.
could, what can work out between you and my daughter? Who the hell you think you are? Eh?
Jawbone.
You don't have nothing. Yes, it's just a jawbone and nothing left. Nothing no left behind
Remember
the jawbone.
says my
Only
son.
jawbone.
Remember still is my
you
son.
listen. You need to put him in a place, you know, because this boy need to go look okay and Charmian.
Me talk to him about that.
Yes, thank you.
Me I talk to him
So what
about
do
that.
me, so?
You
So
see,
me
I mean, never hear say she tell us if you go look work. This a confirmation. That means you need to go look at job. Why you want my daughter?
Come
Fi
like
do
her.
what? Like?
Me love her.
Just like?
More bill with her.
Somebody we could have be your sister. I want to grow up together.
We might grow together, but we're not family. We're not related. We don't have the same bloodline.
And look how much
Family
women
friend.
out there.
We are very close. We
Family
uncle no
friend.
blood. I'm not underneath my jurisdiction. Not no. No, me say no. It cannot happen. Take it out of your mind.
Eh?
Take it out of your mind. Just take it out of your mind.
Look how much women
This
out
is
there.
my friend like my sister. You now come make me and she break up because of you.
So
Boy,
when
me
you
used to
break up,
clean
so?
your nappy.
daughter used to me, a big boy now.
So why me fi come have you as my son-in-law? Boy, when me used to clean and up if
Because
come
you
be
know,
my...
alright, if I want different man out there now that ill to the daughter, you know me good enough, so me not do that and nothing.
I'm a friend, because the whole way I come from for.
So
I me know how far me I come from, I me know how far me they know. I me know say God knows part me I go. Listen, you see you? You need to come out to your mother place and go look work. And stop from stress out the woman and then I can't tell me. As me come, you're not even... Say morning. You the jump down me.
So me not say morning.
Mother-in-law.
Say good morning, mother-in-law, even a shame
boy,
my
when
hand.
me talk, don't talk. Have manners. You get big now, so you feel high. Big up yourself. You cannot get my daughter. You will never get my daughter. No disrespect here, my friend. You poor. My daughter don't have it. That means she what to?
She poor, so
yes.
we can build, we can
So
start
guess
something
what?
together.
You see whatever God bless me with? I'm not going to give my daughter for my daughter give it to you.
No, me will give her. Me will
poor,
work out
I
there
go
and
to
give.
poor, where that I go?
Rich is that.
Where?
Hey.
You're crazy. You see it? You see saying
Before you start talk about you go look at work or go study to get a better job or start a business. What kind of work?
Me can't go. If me have money, no. She not want me if me I have money. She gonna want me.
I know every woman's place. So shut up your clappers.
Nowadays,
shut up your clappers.
As
a matter of fact, nobody think about my daughter, whether you have money or not. Nobody go that the road there. Because me no want my daughter live or go down in a no poor lane.
Not that you're going to be poor forever.
Look here.
My potential, him just a waste it.
Oh, you need to make your mother proud of you. Make one day out of the 7. Your mother can call me and say, well, my son get a job and he live a happy life and he have this. And every minute you man call me and stress me out take of you.
You know what one granddaughter, mommy?
Where? From where?
How the granddaughter or grandson are going to survive?
Tappy and rubbing at your sperms. Which daughter? Look here. Hello.
Nothing wrong. Run baby that
He's
name.
still asleep. Wake him up. Wake him up. Wake him up and make him put no more gray hair in your head. Okay, you can have more children. Now make him tired your
Which more children? Which more children? He thinks that me what? No.
Nice.
No, me not have no more.
Tell me so if one man see you really want you to be married and they want
me no
children,
want no more
you have to give them.
And got through it. No, sir.
Every picnic I know you see him crosses.
No, why you? I'm a son.
You will
so
no matter, you will get one good picnic.
Me good. I'm good in other ways.
I've no picnic like me. You know so much me have 11 and the whole of them papa junk and me one be father and mother.
Much have again, Miss
11.
11.
Yeah.
Me know so me two go school focus now. No say.
Shut up your head in your mouth and stop scratch your dirty head in front of me.
I know but me try me which number that the fall which part
you nothing know it we older than you. So we will know numbers that you don't know.
11, 10.
You see what you want to dress? Nautica.
You mean a brown?
Them people sit me must see teeth.
Hi. Mine how you call me son thief, you know? Come in now, go in there with the daughter. So mine. Make we change the subject and change the energy.
Where you get that from?
And me buy my son clothes.
You know kicks?
Mind yourself, you know, Candy. Mind yourself.
How much money you pay for?
9.5.
Me not listen to you, come and say everyone may have something. How much money you pay for?
9.5.
So you don't need to answer.
Make she help do something.
Candy, you not come here for this.
No, let me talk to you.
No, you not come here for this.
Well, stop complaining to me about it.
Me not complain to you. You're out of Candy.
No,
when me have sitting, because you look like you are idiot.
Me no want me and you have nothing.
Okay.
Cause me no want go there.
Run out who?
Run out, man.
She must run out here all when time me and her friend and your son because you just.
Alright, done the argument, man. Done the argument.
You see, you
know what kind of
the money we call me ask me for, you know. If you care coming on and this boy come and come in the street, don't you take up for him?
Load that and go inside. She's still a big woman to you.
You call me up on phone, you know, I know me come to you this boy. Go on in. Let me chat to your mama.
Me call to you for chat to you. Me never call to you for ask you for nothing.
You ask me for money on the phone. So me tell you, say me okay care what me have, come give you. No, you dey come back to your
ask you for money, Candy, me good. Me never ask you for money.
Oh, so you want it?
If you want to give me money, me will take it, yes.
Oh, so me a idiot, I walk around and I give people money for nothing.
If you want to give me will take it.
So me and your friend, first time you used to come here, just son. When last I see me just walk up here, now you call me? Oh God, Charmian. You look like your son, they drink too much rum and I turn you in an idiot. You forgot to call me on the phone?
Candy, we call you and we are chatting a reason.
Hey. You forgot some way you say.
Hey.
Okay. Money I know nothing way. Afraid to
And
stay
money
with
make
me.
friend and
Listen,
break
money
friend.
is, I don't know who afraid of me. Money love me. Money is something that love to stay with me. So guess what? Thank you for telling me say next. So it's just the people and the neighbor them a look your name. Call me ask you say, but everything good. We are going differently.
Me good. Me good. Me I give thanks. Me there and I look and I live and I give thanks.
Me and
Me have
friend
to
about-
love.
What is step on you, so? Me and friend but me not telling lie. Look like white squall. Kill you. You look hungry.
Oh God.
What you mean? Oh
I mean,
God?
me
But me
hard.
carry money come get you come go like I say no want. You don't tell me say.
Well, it's the way you carry it and I broadcast.
No, you
Him
see-
over the mountain I must see here.
see, no
Me
one
not
tell
like
me
my
ask you
business
something.
spread so. You come and the way you come in with the energy.
Then me a talk to your son now for you complain to me about your son. And then you really a take up it like he look like I say I know you they tell me about him. Like me
But me
come
never tell
and
you
they
if you
cuss
come in and come disrespect me in my own house
That
and I
ain't
call him
disrespect.
thief in front of me. No, Candy, you
So
can't
me-
pass your
No,
place,
no,
man.
but you know saying
Me
thief.
no come and
Thief.
don't do it.
You know
Don't
saying
do
all is a
it.
thief, and
Don't
that's why
do
police
it.
them all is a
Don't
call
do
them a
it.
station and you bail him the last time,
Which
and I
dream
would
you
give money.
have?
Figure out court go pay for money for when you went take the
Candy,
people
that's
them
why
TV.
sometimes people don't like talk to you, you know.
Yeah, where you
Because you
tell
go
me
in
your
a
business for?
dreamland.
Yeah,
And then
dreamland.
you make up the rest.
Hold on.
Oh, God.
So the time when you got court and you did the ball and they say go me alone as friend, you know, no family. And you call me and me come take me last partner money and give you. And you pay the judge it. Cause he sell the people them TV. Who did help you? You see you stay? If me and never friend me wouldn't do that. No, me I talk to your son
Candy.
serious and low they come go like me at insult.
Hey, no, there's ways to do things. That's why me even.
Them a boy,
No, I'm a son. Them the boy, I'm a son.
It's alright.
Me
Big up
don't
yourself. You know say
disrespect
I
him.
idiot.
Me know things about it
I
that
do.
and me no go
Shut-
waller it out the road.
You feel waller it.
Because you feel raise your picnic, me raise mine.
Watch out, this a boy you done raise. You know, no raise again and see a big man, big old 20-year-old. Where they talk about? So if you see my
Candy,
daughter
go
as a
deal
friend
with
and
your-
talk to my daughter, me go vex about it, you're an idiot.
Mm-hmm.
You're
Let
a
me
fool.
turn
Look
it-
why
let me
you
turn
over
it-
there going
Look
with me
at-
to me and
what
talk to your
piss you
your
off,
son.
so?
I go
And
like
what
I say,
kind
me
of things you not get this morning that
this-
come, you
no,
come in
Shami,
my
me
yard
go
with your
here.
bad energy. Go
And
on
this-
then, man.
And
You
this a call
still
me down
there.
here. Stop calling me on phone and tell me about your son. Because when you talk to your son, you don't like it. Because I'm not going to take time to talk to your
Go
son.
on
He
then,
not
man.
pick me. He's a big man, so I have to
Me
deal
not
with
see
him.
you deal with your daughter, son. Your daughter needs some
You
real
tell lie.
talking to.
You know
so
say
go
something
on.
deal with her.
Go on.
You know me
Because
avoid
while you
them.
pot, watch my pot,
Me
your
have
pot
avoid
as
you.
well,
We
Candy.
have a problem.
And
You don't
what
know
do
what is
you
best friend,
so?
you don't know
And
what
what
is good
kind of
friend. Me a
spirit
try
come
to
in
tell
you
your son how
so?
to live and go look work
Oh
and be a better
God,
person
Candy.
and look
You
at
really
different
never
girl.
gonna get happy.
Oh, so me did tell a friend if you come there with my daughter and you have dry shit in her body wall. Like seriously?
So what? This is
Poor.
really what you need
I
your
go which
heart.
part?
Okay. It's a come out now.
No, me ask you one
So
question.
everything, cause me not do things
What
for you and
they
you
come
do
out now?
things
me
for
don't
me.
tell him in front of you. What is the problem? And you
Okay.
vex to the way you me and talk to me. No?
Okay.
You see, as long as
And me
vex to me,
disrespect your daughter
you
like
don't
that.
care if
All
you
right, no
disrespect her. She a
problem.
big woman, you must get talk to her
Okay.
in
You raise your
friend.
picnic how
You're
you raise
unfair.
your picnic and me raise mine how me raise mine.
Like you want
Me
some
not
more
come and
children.
disrespect chin the
You want
things
some more
me
children
know
for two,
about
'cause
her.
big old house
Oh
steering
God,
man
you gotta
that.
have them for me.
Yeah, man, me
Gotta
go
have
have you.
them
Come
for
here,
me.
idiot. My friend belongs to you. Let me tell
You
you.
well, you have plenty, so you're well
I
experienced.
17 of them.
Yes,
I
God have
mean,
12 teen.
Oh,
What
you're
do you
lucky.
candy, man?
I could have 40 teen. I don't care
Oh,
what you want to say.
God.
You think you can't tell me nothing if you hurt me or you are idiot when people
Oh,
talk to you
God.
big old dirty teeth in son.
Mind your
You take it
pressure.
on your head.
Mind
And
your
they go on like I
pressure.
say, oh, Candy, I'm a friend and him and this is why I'm
Mind
not
your
talk to her daughter.
pressure.
So you
Oh,
see you?
God.
You see you,
Hush.
Charmian? I will live to see you come back and come complain to me about your dirty
Hush.
teeth. in
Mind
son
your
again.
pressure.
You
Yeah.
know me,
Walk good. And mind your pressure.
Man, no call back me phone.
Mind your pressure. Jaja, what kind of devil this you sent to me this morning? First thing with him foolishness, said she.
How you do on the road?
Mount I son. I tired like what? Over Charmian, me I come from, and you know my friend how she live far already. Me tired like what, and then she just one like she do and come stress out my head. But me not worry about she. She my friend, and me know say so she can. When you tell her the truth, about fear picnic, although you bad too. Yeah, two of you grow up big now and a time for no sense. No parents are supposed to, I know friend. I tell you no this and I tell you no that. But from people still know I do wrong. I don't care. I don't Charmian and your mama. She's supposed to can talk to you serious to make you turn up on your foot and hold up on your head. Yeah? I have ambition. Anyway. Yes, let me tell you what I want to talk to you about. Um, you have no little secret where you want to tell me about?
No,
You sure?
me no more sure.
Me don't know if you're sure. I just ask if you're sure. You feel know if you're sure.
Me sure, me know, me sure.
You're sure?
Yeah, I will go on.
Okay. All right. Me go still ask you. All when time you big woman, me dey ask you. Cause you're still underneath my roof, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you don't have no little boyfriend they keep where me no know about. Cause if you get pregnant, you know, you must go stand up as a man to it.
No, me not a boyfriend.
You know, see nobody where you like or so.
Oh, yeah. Me see somebody who me like.
Who you talk? Job one?
Yeah. How you know?
Or me, you know?
Yeah.
You know, me adult, me older than you. You're 20 yard. Me a big woman for you and me your mother at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Me have experience. You don't have to tell me. Me can see things. Remember, tricks and trade and matches boxing business. You might not know me I say about a parable. When you get older like me, not even have to be my age, but when you get bigger, you know, you will understand. You will know. Enough things my people them talk when me did small and since me big me find out what them did I say. So you will know one at a time. Anyway, what you seeing a job on?
Me not know. Just
The
know
same thing?
say me like him and he like me back.
Lord of mercy. This way you're gone wrong. One big dirty stinking red flags. Here and now. Chin, you're my daughter. Me mean good for you. I know nothing bad me they tell you. You want to tell me say out of all of the man them in a your age group are older than you. Me not say if you go there with old man, me know what me mean.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it don't make no sense to there with younger than you. Me mean if you not see nobody who mature, have experience, we have education and ambitious, where you can talk to. You look for the lowest class. So your self-esteem gone down. That's you choose. Look who you choose. Job one we could have been my son when me change too much pampers and nappy offer when he did young. You have to say you're job one related, you know, although no nothing, you know. Remember, wait, hold on, stick a pin. Me so make you talk. Cause it's what we can't talk one time. I want you get what me I say. So don't confuse me. My daughter, listen, me not quarrel. But more me have to talk to you hard for you get it. Me and Charmian is friend. For a long time, way back when. Before me have kids and before she have kids.
You hear what you say, friend?
I'm my best
Not
friend.
family. Friend.
Friend. Me and her a family friend.
Well,
So, me who don't want to see you go there with Charmian's son. Alright, Charmian's son as my friend. Come. Remember, say Charmian as I'm a friend, you know. She don't know as my friend. She am my friend, my best friend for a long time. We name out of the same pot. Me sleep at Charmian yard, she sleep at me yard. The only thing me and Charmian do and we will never do that. We don't wear one another dress nor one another clothes. But me and her a friend like that. Although just take a while I go down her yard and me dey talk to her son. Cause she know her teeth in suntan, you know. And when me dey talk to that you did to find out before you put yourself in a relationship where you don't know about. Let me tell you something, my baby. Me soon talk about Charmian and he little idiot son. I'm a friend, but I'm a liar. No, Charmian, me say a idiot and his son a idiot for they come look you kind of no money. That me mean. Me no mean say my idiot and he no sense. You know what me mean? Cause if you don't have no money and the woman where they look no have no money, where they go? You're a damn fool. Poverty, poorness, sufferation, where they go? Look how you're pretty. Look how you're nice. Why you choose job one? You not say no man.
Him choose me.
So you know no mindset of your own. You not have a mindset of your own will and wish for you think and know whether me like that man or not. Or me want go the road there or not. Or this I want travel upon this road there.
You kinda like him.
You kinda like him, that's what you say. You better make sure what you do. But anyway, as I was saying before, me nah make you nor job one make me and my friend break up. Although this little while she talk to me one kind of way and me have to talk to her one kind of way too. But she is still my friend. So you see, me don't know, me just want to show Charmian the difference. Because look how Charmian see you and talk to you. And you tell me no feel no way, I'm my friend. You're never too old or too young to learn. Charmian can talk to you too and school you too. All when me hear say they chat up to one little fool boy, eh? She can talk to you too. I don't have a problem with that. Me they talk to the woman's son and if you hear her, she they go on like I say, me our enemy. Or mine they come name to Charmaine, you know. I tell Charmaine no me say you not fit talk to her
No
son.
fun
You know.
when me not see that woman there.
No style my friend so. She named Charmaine, you know, I miss Charmaine for you.
Woman.
Okay.
She's a woman.
She's a woman, but me know when you say they want that the woman, they not do that. She soon look into herself. I bet she come back. I mean, no, she's there. She go come back to me and tell me, oh, she's sorry and her son this and her son that and Rebecca. If her style that me know. So me just walk out her yard like a while. Anyway, please me I beg you. Anytime you want a good man in your life, think first before you make a step and pray and ask God about it. Make God choose you. Okay, so anytime you choose yourself, you're always wrong. When me choose myself, me wrong. Me have to put everything in a God and I make him choose me. Because God know what's best. He know what you need from what you want and what you don't want. What we confuse, what we make you uncomfortable. Because suppose you reach with Jabo now. Jabo not even work.
You can't reach reading partner because we never reach the desert yet.
Enough you go no way. Because Jabo can't even spell his name. Yes, as
So
big
you
as
don't
he
say
is
that,
there. What? As big as he is, I'm a friend. I feel they take him when he drinking rum and come in. I give him coffee and sitting and he have hangover and all kind of sick and they vomit and all kind of thing. I'm a friend, I feel they making him learn to read now and again. I Jamal, my friend, I plan to
Although
send
I
him.
don't run the place still. So.
Where they go here now? Me
Up a
want
yard
come
me
go
I
here
go.
now.
Up a yard I go to.
Come on. Me and you we talk. No, but I want to discuss nothing more upon everybody.
Oh God. Watch my friend now. Jesus. Whoa. Yes, my friend. Wow, man. I'm tired. I'm tired. So you good?
You sound like you're run, so are you saying Bolt?
No, I just feel wonderful and excited.
How am you?
A new chapter begin. Anyway, we don't talk about that yet. Your daughter get so big now, man.
Where you watch my daughter for?
In the adult world and now.
Me, so what?
Huh?
How long time you watch my daughter? You know,
No, really, not say that, man. Just like how she graduate and out school and become an adult. And, you know, me single and free and I would have take somebody home.
How you want to take? Want some water? You can buy one bottle of water for me?
No, I'll be right here now.
No, wait, let me put you in a fair place. You think say true me and your friend? Me and your friend for a long time. That means say, me must give you my daughter for carry your yard. Because she turn adult now.
Me can't mind her now, you know.
What kind of work you do?
Me win the lotto. Yes. You know, hear about it? How to me I keep silent? Is that me I plan to buy 3 vaccine put on the road. I'll give your daughter one and put somebody for run taxi. And I'll get one for you and give somebody for run taxi. So
No, I'm nothing from you. Talk about my daughter.
all right. I'll give your daughter every benefit when you get.
Me no want nothing from you. Talk about my daughter. My man there senti. Him have whatever he
All right.
want.
All right. Me talk about your daughter. I like your daughter.
Talk about my daughter.
I'm going to win the lotto. I want to take care of her.
So what that have to do me when you see my daughter, you talk to my daughter about it, because what you try for me do? Push my daughter upon your true, you have...
Because you know me and you know me a good man.
Me know say you're a good man?
Yes!
You see...
How many times you carry a bucket of water?
You see how me put on my good clothes? Me put on my good clothes. I walk out on the road, go check one of my friend them, not you.
You show me
I know
you're
you're ready
person.
for me nasty up my clothes with pay dirty all out of my mouth. Listen.
No, listen now. A real man wanna come to you and say they like your daughter.
And I come out sitting like me an idiot. So a real man wouldn't come to me for true and they tell me how me have money, me have much boss and me go give your daughter one and me go give you one. You is a liar from the pit of hell.
No, me win the lotto for you.
What?
Me win the lotto.
That you did say?
Yes! I win the lotto. I win it. Me say, when I hear say I win it, me faint. And when me faint, me get up back and me look for the ticket, me faint again. And me say, property done.
So Papa,
Huh?
I really faint, did faint, or you just lay down and get up back?
No, you know them faint, them have to hockey. Woo! And get up back. And go back again. Woo! Every minute me look for the whole night. They couldn't sleep. All night me I watch the cars. Me no want the ticket to walk away. So I just hold it all night and I look on it so. And I say, God, You're amazing. I'm gonna look for Candy first thing in the morning and tell her. Because she alone can keep her mouth. Me not want to tell Charmaine.
Me alone can't keep in my mouth.
Me no want
You sure
Charmaine.
say me I go keep that in my mouth?
No man, you keep him man, because your daughter benefit from it. Me can't tell Charmaine, his son will rob me.
Look here, Charmaine and my friend, although she disgusting and I like listen, love load up her mouth and I shut and I make be nice. And my friend don't talk nothing bad about her.
No, me not talk his son, me say his son with thief.
No call my friend name. My friend is my friend. As she just feels say me I insult her friend, make sure I deal with me certain type
Alright,
of way.
yeah, so me change the ticket.
I'm my friend.
I'll give you $5 million to make his son back way. Come here to the son. I
You
check.
just so look at me just so and give me $5 million like me in a business. Now my daughter you say you want.
Yeah, but
If
me
you
want
go
to make
give me
his son
$5
back way.
million, how much you
Because
give
the
me?
son, me did see your daughter yesterday
If
still
you
in
go give me $5 million, me ain't no way I won't go friend. How much
Yeah.
you go give me daughter where you look?
20 million. Yes, I know me win.
Ficho,
Yes,
so you getting money already?
yes. Me not directly get it in my hand, but me get the check.
So you're still in a this when me know you're in a from how long? This a old idiot.
No,
dirty crooks,
watch
yeah.
that. If the moment me jest, at the moment me get knocked.
That's why.
You see, I mask me have to mask up to collect the little money.
How where you go collect it? Cause me yes, somebody in Westmoreland win for you know.
Yes,
How did you?
yes.
Mirror,
In a
boy, you're
South, me
lucky
buy
you
the
fat.
ticket.
Where?
In a South, I look on the road and me just see 6 sign. And me say yes. I buy the number here, you know.
Which road you look on?
Like me in a South, and me see 6 sign. Me
Oh,
see a
South.
fatty.
Oh,
And then me see a old man. And then me see, a maga man. And me I say, alright. I can buy them, you know. I just buy it.
so you're lucky, mirror, judge.
Yeah, man.
So if me give me daughter, you have to go put more money on that $5 million there.
Alright, man, I give you 7 million.
7 million.
Yeah.
Give me 4, send it to my account. You want wicked, me not believe you.
Me tell you, say me not get the money in my account. Me get the check.
You not just tell me right as so you getting money already. But I'm happy. And when me a chat about your slippers, when me know you're in a from much years. Look there. I want to hold it right there so. And you go tell me about no, because me have to mass up coming and want then come rob me. You want actually you talk you win a lot of it.
Win the lotto.
Me no know if me feel believe you, but if you say you win,
Yes,
you know.
let me see your data, you know.
No, me yes, somebody win in a Westmoreland for you, but me I wonder if I you.
Oh, me, man.
I don't trick me.
No, I wouldn't. Yesterday, me see your daughter, me I talk to him. Him and them boy in like Jabon.
Like which job one? You're crazy.
She a tell
You
me.
think say Supreme Venture? The people that want Supreme Venture would have really want to look on job one ticket and give money to him saying win?
Ah, you.
Me and your friend and you win and you have to get my daughter. You crazy?
Thank you. I will see you later, yeah? Me I go rush because the check. Me I go pick it up and carry go to the bank.
So quick you go.
Yeah.
So when me I go get me little dividends?
Give me 2 months. I get it.
What you mean?
Eh?
So now money I go pick up now.
I check.
Me we take back my chat in no car. Me no
No,
with my
I pick
daughter,
up
you
the
know.
check.
No, sell me my daughter, you know.
No.
And you come and promise me money and boy you want me daughter. Papa, don't make me have anything.
No, pick up the check.
Alright, go on.
All right. Later, young friend. All right.
First, he's sitting down. Chin! No, me thirsty. I ain't no want a little drink she can even buy give me. Eh? Me a dear good man, you know, want chat. Chin!
How do you?
Sit down right there, so come here calling you. You're just there right there in your room and you're that dead if you answer. Me think you're
You
asleep.
never hear.
Me think you're asleep or you're gonna road and not tell me, girl. Oh, money when me did want Papa give me some money for pay for it. Anyway, I need you to go down, Papa. Remember, I did talk to you about it already. I want you to go down to Papa yard. Kind say he wants to see you and he have some money to give you.
I don't know where it is.
I tell you already. You want me to tell you again? Remember, I did call you on the phone and tell you which part you live and sitting. You're going like I say, no, no, Papa. You see, you think you're easy. Anyway, Papa is an ambitious person. And he have money a long time, I know him. Me want you talk to man we have money and we can help you. Me need say if you go love Popeye or like love him falsely love. Me want you to love Popeye from your heart, real love. And not true have money. Make me a send it to him. I want part of it still. Because me no want you chat to no man when I no money for you. But differently, Popeye a good youth. You can talk to him. And then he have money pan top of it that make me worse they push if you go talk to him because me not tell no lie, me no want you suffer. Me and you send it to man with money. Me not tell you if you go do nothing with him, you know, and Papa and I go hold you down. Me know his style. If you ain't like you or love you for true, he might take time and take care of you until your love grow for him. You can married little more in a life and give me a lot of grandchildren.
Oh.
So more you have to go down and yard. Look here. Look on this. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
Look on it good. You know what kind of phone this?
Mm-hmm.
You see it nice?
Mm-hmm.
You look like him and see watcher. You gone on camera. Let me take out you make you see it. Because I don't know where you are going like I say you know no sense. You're a young girl. You want one right in phone.
I want 13 Pro Max this.
Yeah?
16 Pro Max.
Huh? What kind of max?
16.
Yes. And guess who buy this for me?
Oh.
No more Popeye. A Popeye buy this gimme. Popeye buy this simika. He say he want me to be him.
Mother-in-law?
They no more so could else I could never daughter-in-law. So Popeye is my what? Son-in-law because I'm Popeye go there. He have money and you have to talk to him. Talk to him, girl. I know nothing bad me to tell you. Talk to man we have money and we ambitious. We can put you higher in a life. Me not send you to no broke pocket man for you go suffer. Who want here say me they tell us so. Cause ain't dirty nobody over there so you know. Me not like how they say you know they love listen people business. And if they want turn over the yard and hear me and go discuss me and chat about candy they send out in data to man we have money. So what if they want send for them data to broke pocket man that for them business? I don't give a damn. A matter of fact you know me already as your mother. I do not care when nobody want to say when I tell you to talk to somebody that can help you. You understand?
Yeah.
And if Papa don't have no money, me I tell you to left him backside. You understand? So I must see thief money then and buy this gimme. But I mean no say it's Papa buy this gimme.
Okay.
Yeah. And he will give you more than this. Cause if me I just see mother-in-law and he can buy me one phone that's so expensive. Why won't you? Papa will give you house, land and car and everything.
Oh.
So just go check him. Yeah.
Alright.
And he no fussy. Me not say and him no maybe do something down the line, but me not think him a go force on himself by you. It's up to you, you're 22. You can decide for yourself, but at least me not my daughter, me not send you to go sell your body. Me not want you follow your little dirty foot friend up the road. That's because she had to pay broke pocket man we drink rum. Papa have ambition. So even if Papa tell me lie, or a chew in the talk, me don't know where you get money from, but I him buy this gimme for chew. Yeah. And any day me find out say lie Papa they tell. That means you're thief and money and buy this. You know me no grown corner and come round corner, you know. Well he must know when he get money from if he buy this gimme. But I mean know he have money to he tell me and then he go buy this a phone and give me. My mind tell me say he have money. And plus him say he win lotto and sitting, remember.
I believe in
Yeah, me believe. All if I lie, I tell me believe because why would I just buy it? So I saw him fool that buy one phone, give me just to chat to me that and tell me lie say win lotto.
Buy for sure.
Me no know if a thiefy, well I know me thiefy. And him thiefy and me don't know if a thiefy, he tell me say I buy and he show me receipt. So why thiefy receipt too?
Oh, bro.
Okay. So make sure say you go down a yard and talk to him. Me tell you when leave you. Want me tell you again?
Remember no.
Cider, Miss Hyacinth yard, the biggest house you see down there, you tell me say a famous. Unless a lie material, I don't know. But I over there in stay for true. Unless some people gonna foreign and live in the Dainton. Mm-hmm.
Oh, bruh.
So make sure say you talk to him with manners and respect because relationship need respect and trust. Yeah. Okay. So go on now.
Alright, me I go down there now.
Alright.
Girl,
Yeah.
like I wait for somebody, man.
Are you me away pan?
Like you time me.
Yes.
I don't
Come I
somebody
did see your
come from.
pass and I did want to ask you where you go. You did for walk past and call me. I brush my teeth right out through there somewhere. And I saw you walking past. You didn't even say, Kayla, you didn't even shout me name or nothing. So I said, alright, let me sit down and lay away. Take I have to pass back go where you go.
No, girl, you know, say I look what he is me the in a mommy they send me out still.
So, what type of yes?
I hope my friend must charge me say me if you go give something out then me go.
Oh.
You know, say mommy, she I can't tell me say me enough in the job one. And I say why me never find somebody else. But me I try make you know say, you know tell me say me and job one grew up together and then something. Me I say it better when me know him for a long time.
Yes, that's true, you have a point. But
Like they want to choose for you, girl.
I don't want to choose. I feel like she want to choose you, but she want to choose what better for you. Job one can't, you and job one grow up together, you know him and everything, but you can't cook. When we go name raw food,
Back
it one work. Where money all come from? Well, take my piece of foolish advice. Ask yourself deep in your heart if you want there with him. Ask yourself if you know say to one broke and go through whole heap of hardship if you're willing to go through hardship them together. Choose where your heart wants. To see if your heart say if you go take him, you take him. Cause of that your heart want.
Yeah, Me I go just finally make up my mind. Come tell mommy say me kinda like him.
Yeah, so yeah, just sleep on it. Just sleep with him. And you see if you dream about him tonight, you know say yeah, destiny, God pick that for you.
True.
So you have to just sit down and sleep on it. But why? Yeah, me G, me no want to see you suffer, you know, cause oh God, me can't just imagine the hardship for you, know.
Me I think about it again.
Yeah, sit down on it, think about it. What think about if you want a trade or something, cause me know say you got school, but your school class more than how you attend class.
Right this.
So, what me can say to you now, ask yourself if you don't say, yeah, me want to deal with him. Just ask yourself that deep in your heart. Ask your brain if you're willing to work through hardship or go through anything or if you struggle. You know that way there, just sit down and question yourself. Ask yourself if you're willing to deal with him. Also if you don't know say you don't have nothing. Just ask yourself that, cause they must suffer, you know.
And broke life no fit me again.
You see how hard all eyelash them if you blink too hard you could push me go over there so.
Aye.
So yeah, so I say just ask yourself if you want it or not. So if you want it, you go for it, you go towards it, you work towards it. Cause it one maybe me not think I know like a secret say to one like each other now. So, from
everybody know no.
Yeah, so I say so that would be a problem or no. So you can just do your books and do your maths and just now I don't think man.
Actual girl.
Either way, so me have my papa and gone out this.
Oh.
He could soon come back or I don't know. But I'm gonna sit down here for a while. Because I got nothing to do. And I don't got a nigga to think about. So I'm free. I gotta sit down and use my Wi-Fi. Yes.
Me I can't go up the road before you see woman a match come for me, girl. I send me out.
Cause girl, I force me. Hey, your mama can't watch you. We don't know why I watch you for your big great tone, girl. You have to stand up for yourself and tell her, say, mommy, I'm old, I'm big enough, I can make my own decision.
You see me under the roof, girl, so.
That too, me think of Go on, boy, busy. You don't have a chat.
Me I tell a girl.
Just have a sit down and suck salt.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, girl.
How long me call her, man?
Me just a reach because me the upper mommy and start out some things.
Talking about your mother this morning, your mother see me, you know. Not chat basic, you know, but me a crow for me a broke pocket boy and sitting, you know.
All that thing you really say?
What do you mean? So me no good boy for you. You
Eh.
must some money man business in your for you and them a sitting here.
Indeed, I tell me say, me not fit talk to you about anybody me mind say, you know.
Anybody your mind say? You see your mind say me?
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda.
Anything can happen.
Me don't understand that kinda.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, so unsure but me
Me-
work with you. Me work with you. Cause a long time I like you still. From where you little pit you grow.
Yeah.
But now you too follow your mother do, you know.
Me know. But show me under the roof and then something this so.
So you can't come out and come under my roof. No show me my mother live, you know. I want a room, I want a space, you know, everything, you know.
Eh,
Yeah.
me don't know about that part. Me I got think about
Me I
this
tell you,
thing.
man, nobody think about it, man. When you think of it, you don't think. Nobody think about it. Just do it.
Me I see what can go on.
Yeah, I think that me come move you.
Correct, no, man, me just a frustrate me. Me can't bother.
So you say, I come move you tonight.
Me have some things to start up on my yard too.
Like what so?
Clothes to wash and then something there.
So in the machine on me yard can't put them in, man.
I know, man, me can't go nowhere and now here Sunday something there. Me have just take me little time. Me have to take me little time.
You don't like man, I just talk with me.
No, me like it for real. But things take a little time. You don't know that song there too.
Me know word to word, man.
Yeah, man, things have to take a little time. Watch out. No, mommy, this
You have a devil to Father God. Your mother alright.
He must good.
She left on medication.
Me not sure.
They don't turn up. They don't turn up.
Me don't know.
Me scan everything okay?
You see, to me want you hear what me I say clearly. Me wait till that big truck that pass. You see that big truck there, my uncle are driving. And me no want thing up. Tell me friend that a few woman say, he see me and argue with you upon the road, so me I wait till the car.
No argument nothing go on, man. Just
Alright,
easy.
wait. Let's go deal with it. Cause you feel say me an idiot.
What you think glove in on the man?
He say I'm not saying thing.
You know, no man. If you have a man, you have to give stuff. Tell us how you hear.
Then something my friend a tell me about skills, you know.
You might tell us how you man. She not a man, you know, for you have no man neither.
Hello. You see, to me you hear what me I say loud and clear, and I never want him to hear for the call up my name to your woman. Let me tell you something. Me warn you about my daughter already. And it's like you're not take heed, you're not listening, you're not hear me, you're deaf.
You know what is love?
What is love?
Hmm?
I don't know. Explain and tell me.
And
Because
that-
you are
that's
come
why
call
you
the word
move,
love
so.
and you don't know the meaning.
And that's
of
why
love.
you behave so.
Okay, because you don't teach me love, don't.
Me
That's
not
why
have
me
to
don't
teach you.
know.
You're a big man.
And
You
you
supposed to
look
know
on your
that.
head.
What
Look
about
on
your
the,
head?
look on your favorite drunker. Come look on my good data upon road. I come turn up. Fish you see I sound like a low class, dirty boy.
You want to
And
give that a
road,
man who
clear
have
roadside,
money.
you turn up and talk to her.
You want to give that a man who have money. You know what man have money do? They ain't shit up. They can get an infection. But them if you get money, you don't know where they end up get money. Man can't touch them, they can't touch man for money. That I go on the road, them that stay broke and pauperize and hustle hard. And can make 155,000.
Exactly.
Rich man, the rich man if you do, they ain't wire out and freak
You
out
know what
themselves
fast
for
life
money.
come with?
You watch people how them a live for them life.
Me not-
Look how you are live for your life. Because I don't know what you
live
they
my
do.
life, so.
I want to tell you, say, make you can't leave him alone. Be a roadside and not turn up and talk. 'Cause you know you can't carry him on me.
He just a talk to me.
About what? But what? Nothing constructive.
What you mean nothing constructive?
You need to find yourself a job. You little girl. You're 20 and you act like I say you're 16. You.
Listen, me not do this for your mother. You make her walk, here.
You figure look and walk.
Yeah,
and go
right,
comb your
Alright.
head. You feel some dirty madman. Look on your toenail them. Look here. I in some people don't
Mommy,
know
tap it, man. Are your friend's son?
So
He don't up on road with
And
the
your
plan, he
friend's
don't
son.
look good.
look on time this ghosting.
You don't deal with him, so man,
Then
up on
this
road
said
with the plan.
gingivitis going at people mouth and it look like he have been in tour. It boy look like he not be
See
a
how
man.
people up there say, you know, people turn and go run, we run go tell Charmaine.
Show up. What Shannon can do more than just
He can't do
and
nothing.
load up him out. Load up our dirty mouth as usual. And you know here, if you in love with Jabon so much, why you
Never
don't go
tell
and
us
stay
I'm
with
in love, me
Charmaine
tell
and
us
Jabon? Because Jabon don't have nowhere for himself. And mama yard he live just like how you live for your mama yard. And my roof you under.
Yeah.
Right. Full of attitude. Fine. It's your front.
Lord God.
And you is 22. So, and Jabon are the same age group. You need to go live with Jabon. Go and go live with Jabon. Me no want you in my yard since as me can't talk to you. Since as me can't talk
So
to you,
when
you need
this
to go
up
live
on
with him.
big road, they embarrass me.
No, me have to embarrass them. I want to whole like people them here in our area because you have no ambition. Look at the type of man we go there with. Dirty Jabon and not even work. And in toenail they look like a worm and name them out. Eh? He no have no money and my mind they depend on how you go survive if him breed you. Eh?
Alright, see people are pass.
Alright,
Don't
see people
know.
are pass. So you want me to take time talk to me see people are pass. But you hide and have sex with Jabon. I want him breed and give you triplet. You go come out of my house. Go live with Jabon. Come on and use protection. And look on Jabon like he don't bathe from morning. Eh? Eh? This is why Jabon pass me in front like a drunk or feather. Eh? Can you imagine? Eh? So you want to go rub up with the junk or feather and come in my house? Go live with Jabon. You hear me I tell you? You see how you Jabon? Wait till when me see you. Wait till me see you. And you look at me say you want me and your mama to fall out in a boy.
In a reach this, so you not for reach this, so.
All you must see too pretty till a damn blasted fool. Eh? Look how Jabon ugly. Eh? Look how your head turning a comb. And look how smiling on. I'm my clothes them in my wear. Other day me see me now one piece of slippers they look like a hit. Brand new slippers to look good enough. Nah ticker. Where you get it from? Tiffy.
Oh, you know, say a thief in thief. I
I
can't
come
wait.
here a road. And any you there with Tiffin man.
I
When
saw you love
Jabon
here,
breed you,
say.
me at this one that the grand picnic there. Come in no one no Tiffin grand picnic. You want me to tell you? Okay.
We just are talking, no saying a reach, no breeding stage.
Yeah, let me tell you something. I have a friend. And he have money. Jabon don't have no money.
So who are your friend?
Right now, me ignorant for Jabon. Because Jabon no want look at work. And Jabon and you is like a sister and brother.
No, we are not family.
Because we grew up together, it no matter.
We not
And
the same
me
blood.
and Jabon, me chat it 1,000,000 times, I go chat it again. Me and Jabon mother is like this. But she act like a jackass when me a correct her about her son. Yeah, put your mouth on me picnic. And me can't talk to she about
People gone tell her say
me
you
a tell
cuss
about
job
my
and
friend.
a disgrace
Make them
job.
go along, me and go can chat. But me a tell about my friend.
Alright, who are your friend?
My friend have money. And he's saying like yo. My friend, me buck up my friend today earlier, you know. And my friend tell me how him a go look about the money cause I checking out. And him a go send 7 million in my account and him a go give you
So
almost 20.
You know where you get money from?
Oh, you mean?
Where
You
you
win
get
a
it
lot
from?
oh.
How you sure about that?
Make sure my friend not tell me no lie. Leave me alone. So I broke pocket man I love talk to. So which mother, which parents, even if I lie, my friend they tell. Even call it say a lie. Can me believe him. Even if I lie.
Saying can't come tell you
Which
anything I
parent
believe in.
go see man, they offer them money and have money if you can help them daughter and say no and turn it down. Well, make me prove you say a lie, I don't care. I'll me do me sorry and say this until that I me turn around and bust in your head. If me find out say a lie in the tail. But me nah make you talk to no broke pocket man with no money. At least me know say, yeah, my friend always buy a lotto, you know. Cause me and him used to buy. So that's why I believe him. Even if I lie, they tell me believe him. So
Okay.
at least me not send out to no broke pocket man. My friend like you and he want you.
So you know if me like him, I want
Me no
him.
know, me just I tell you. Well, if you not like my friend, like him money.
Mommy, me not too really in that, you know.
Oh, so you're not too in my friend. Because my friend a big man and Jabon a boy.
So a big
But
man.
my friend have money. And Jabon don't have any.
So I cannot go there with him then,
There we do.
since he have money.
Girl, if me ever take off them feather there for your ear with the quinty back, you wouldn't like what I do with it today. A man has a rank with me. And no long out your mouth, so come on from my foot. No call long out. Say sorry,
Sorry.
Come go on like you don't feel it. Oh, God. Sorry, mommy.
Sorry, mommy.
How you talk to so? Just while when me come see a dirty job when in a sweet talking, you know, me sure you can't talk.
We
to
never did
yourself.
a sweet talk.
Nice up,
We
and
never-
this and that when you go on in. But I'm your one current with. Eh? A job one. Oh, okay. A job one tell if you talk to me so.
Stop call him.
You're lucky
Stop
saying
call
God.
up his boy name.
How that tell him sitting here see. You lucky saying God. So job one tell us if you talk to me.
He
then
never
you-
says so. What make you? I saw you hate him with a passion.
Me no like him. I don't even like the thread we're sewing clothes because he no want look no work with.
God.
He's a non-ambitious, dirty dog.
All right, Lowy this so
I'm
man.
going to tell you something about my friend Shani. Jabon mama,
Mm-hmm.
I'm a friend, but me not tell no lie. You see the dirty style where Jabon have, I mind get it from. I know him pa. Jabon father, a good father, and y'all did that look me too, but me didn't want him kind of there with my friend.
Mm.
A good man, but true Shami a war. Shami used to do prostitution, and so me meet him on the bridge because he used to sell front too.
Oh, bruh.
So little mouse, me breed, I don't know if you papa. Lucky one man see me love me off, and then me say, you know, me settle down. When me dash my front so, and me dash my front round there so.
I saw you did that go
Me
on, so I
did-
saw you want me to come go
I
on
me
now.
used to do it, that's why me no want you do it. And that me I tell you now. Me want you take up a good man where win lotto and you have money. Me no want you go fling your front all over the place. And then you no know when you breed who are the daddy.
All right, me I
And
hear
lucky
you.
thing me did settle down and know who are for your papa.
Me go think about it still.
See your father come from Senti.
Mm-hmm.
One of the red type of man them. But you me love them kind of color man there.
Me too.
And he used to treat me good. That's why I settle down with him. So me want you find one good man and he did take care of you too. You know, so you grow up nice.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want you come there with dirty thinking job when you're not brushing teeth. Job when I name out a dirty plate. Champion see me the other day and tell me say Jamon name out a plate and don't wash it and she cook and she wrote it back in a dirty plate again kind of want wash it. You know what I'm saying? Sit down on me. A dirty boy. You can go and go call up my name back to Jabon and tell him say
God,
this is so.
God.
Go and go call up my
Me
name
not-
to
me
Jabon.
not
Come
that.
realize say anything me tell you about nobody, you go back and tell him. My friend I look for Jabon. Jabon a thief, him more money can come give you. All the
What
jobs
you
where
tell me and me go carry?
all the draws where you can't come over here that day, Jabon tell you about him buy panty for you in a store. I'm my draws in thief come give you a damn fool.
Well, me never wear it.
Missy Shamin in that the draws they don't a beach already.
All right.
When she say she ain't no bad suit and we go at Sweet River. We go at Sweet River first and have one picnic there and then we race a friend them go down a beach at center. Me see her in another dress is don't job one buy no panty gear. The boy a liar than he now work. Leave him alone and talk to Popeye. Popeye win the lotto.
Me I think about it.
Me a choke.
So I don't a yard me I go now. No.
I don't talk.
Mm-hmm.
Then go on.
So where you go?
Me a wait right up to see if me see my friend Popeye have a the kind promise me.
So you don't know where you live?
He know me live but me don't want him over me yard.
All right then.
Oh boy.
Yes, I hear me come check. How long we are friends for? Long time. Not true?
Too long.
Yeah. We get to find out, say, your son and Candy daughter in a local business.
How you know everybody business before them?
Everybody know everybody business before them. I know what I want. I know what's going on, and right now, why you tell your son to back away from her. Stay far from her. Me your friend, and I don't want my friendship end. So tell him to stay far from her because I like that girl and I love that girl and I see a passion in that girl and I want to change that girl.
Oh yeah. So what's so bad with job one? If she like him and him like her, what
He
is the
doesn't have
problem?
money. It's money make the world gelly up.
You think say she go digger? Eh?
Me never say
Want
she a
she
gold
for
digger.
money?
Alright, yo, I go and give your son, give you $2 million to tell your son to back away from her. And me win the lotto. And when I say that I have the check, I don't change it
Hey, a
again.
joke you make. A joke you make. You could never win lotto and come so.
No, me not get the cash yet, but me have the check. Me I go make them put it in my account. You think me I eat have to collect the cash at the Supreme Venture and carry come here? Come do it.
So if you win the lotto, may I hear them a call out? Where you buy tickets?
You know, Sav, me win the lotto. Me win the lotto. Me win the lotto.
So you talk about chin before you can give me the 2 million and come
No,
there
you're
with
too old.
me.
You're too old.
Hey,
Me I get old, you I get old.
exactly. The oil of the moon, the sweet of the shine. You
No.
know about that, man.
When me and you old, you know, we can't get it together. Chin can't give me one glove child. He can't give me all 6.
No,
12.
man, you not see the 2 children in love. The 2 children is in
You know
love.
what is in love? You know what is in love? When you're in love with somebody, you flourish them with things.
And that me I talk about.
No, me you can never
Come
know.
on, man. Instead of
listen.
give me the 2 million for keep my mouth and tell him for backward, give me the 2 million and me and you just do a thing.
No. Tell your son to back away. We can't get right now. You have to give me 2 months. You tell him
2 months, you don't win nothing, man. A joke you make, but win nothing. 2 months.
we win. What you tell me say?
Mommy,
What happened?
I already talked to you, bro, and we talked to Chin then, once I can pull up on my disgrace, me.
Yes, man. Yes. Finally, my friend have some sense, man.
I
Yeah.
talk about how he find money, man, for woman, for daughter and sitting.
Oh, wow.
So me I wonder, who are going to tell me,
Yes.
say me love that.
Can this smart,
I'm
man.
still love her right now, no matter what she tell me, say me not top love her.
No, man. Something.
Me I
No.
wonder which money man that come and tell her, say, man, them have money, you know. You know what them do, forget the money, you know.
Exactly,
Man
my
can touch
son.
them and them touch man. And they go give that an infection. But you don't know them or something there.
What the backside they turn up to start talk about? What you talk about?
Hi. Nobody raise
Let
your
me
voice
talk
in
about.
me yard.
Let's
Yeah.
turn the pass in place right now.
I know
Well,
you
if
me
the
a talk
cap
to.
fits.
I know you me a,
So where you rise up
so
so
where you rise up
far?
for?
If the
But
cap
you
not
have to-
fit,
you
where
have
you
to-
rise up so
I
far?
want-
No, because when I talk about money, man. When I talk about
Yes,
money,
some
man.
money man. No, some of my man they will make money now. They all they get it. Man touch them or
Me
them touch
win
man.
my lotto, you know. Me win my lotto. So I don't know what you talk about. And me, she a talk about.
And I tell them,
And he might come chat
and
to
I tell
me.
me, say, me ugly and sitting.
Oh.
And me know say me have a mirror, but me don't know, say,
Ah,
he
how
ugly and me,
she?
you know.
Oh God, me didn't know what to
You
can
were looking at the
recently,
mirror
you
this
know.
One of
morning.
me yard,
You were
yeah.
looking at the mirror this morning.
Look on yourself.
Yeah, me's a handsome boy.
I money make you feel so.
Anyway,
Handsome
talk
which
to your
part?
son and tell him to back away
Back where
from
which
my
part?
empress.
Wait, back with which part?
We have
If
to
the
find a
2
different
children
empress.
is in love, love them.
We are age group. You come like you're a 50, 60-year-old man or 70-year-old man. And you want a young girl, so 22-year-old.
You
A
know,
big
say,
woman you should fit there with.
you know, say this boy brat. Eh?
See, my son have sense.
There we do.
My mother.
I can't do with my friend. She's like
So
sister.
how you can there with your friend daughter?
That
That no
different.
worse.
Like a niece.
Exactly. That worse, you know. It no
like a
look good.
niece.
So what I
It
try?
no look
Two of
good.
us try fight me out of
No, me
my
not.
Me not.
You watch I fight me now with 2 years you make a what? You want one little lot of
You work.
Me a hustle.
You have money.
Me a hustle.
How, what you call hustle?
Do you know hustle?
What is hustle?
Me we go up on the road and see one little set of one big and say, yo, look what my father, if no good, me bring empty bucket them.
Honest work.
I mean just
Honest
really
work,
I
not
see-
pure
Nine.
gambling.
9 to 5 can't put food on
I
table.
lie that tell. How me I live so long?
Because you know no chicken child. You don't have no chicken child.
So how mother take care of me so long?
You know what kind of work your mother used to do? You
Yeah,
know
how I
what?
try say.
Make it on. Me not go this so. For me, for know, and for you, for find out.
Hey,
Mother used to work
come on
in
to
a
me,
meat
Ab.
shop.
Okay, you're perfect, smile.
Me chop?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you tell her something you used to work in a. Yeah man, she used to work in the meat shop.
And she
And the money I run.
Huh?
You not run no money.
Which money?
So if you not run no money, step.
When you see your son
Step,
back away
man.
from
Step.
the
You
Empress,
can't tell my
then
son who for love. And you can't tell that little girl who her heart can belong to.
how you
Yeah?
in love without money?
Hey, you go look for your gold digger
Alright.
girl.
So like I use some money for the if you look woman, make your money done right now and see gone left you. For your more man with
No, she got our children, and the children's gonna have children, and the
work.
other
I
children
wonder if
gonna have
Candy
children.
know the plan you
worse.
make for
Then-
your
then-
If you
daughter.
breed that, if you breed him right now, you know. If you breed that right now, them say pick me take money. So me not get no, but me say pick me take a whole heap of money.
Yes, and I don't have a problem
so,
with that.
listen me out. When you see me girl them brown now look. What they say nowadays, if them have a Barbie, them a Dolly.
Yeah.
And you have to can and Dolly no cook.
You know, say, are
Girl,
you
now
make your
watch.
son spoil like this?
While
You have a son, you have to send him go look work.
me's a
We
hustler.
need workers, and
What
we have
kind
enough.
of, you
mean
don't
work
do
for
no
the-
You
work.
can't
If you
work.
never win the lottery, you would dump on your backside, same as everybody
Alright,
else
you
in
know,
the yard.
you know,
Eh?
bro,
I go on like say you have
If you
anything.
broke right now and I make you and I win the
And
lottery,
you
what
still
do right now?
can't prove it. You
Well-
just chat.
What you do right now?
Work as usual.
What kind of work? 9 to 5, right?
Would you say me do 9 to 5?
So what kind of work that then?
Yo, tell us
For your
something.
gamble, for your
Me
gamble
don't know what
for the
kind of
9 to
work
5,
you do. Must
man.
scam, you scam.
Scam and look so.
Because me no
know
understand.
jagger.
You
You
talk
know
about
real
say
jagger.
you have this big money and you can't produce nothing.
You
Eh?
see, if you love your son, talk to him. That's
mean
all
by
me I
that?
tell you. If you love your mother, talk to your
What
mother.
you mean by that?
You see, if
Who you
you
threatening?
love one life, talk to no
Oh,
one another.
who you threatening,
you
you, sir?
threaten, you know.
Come
You
out to
promise.
me yard
You
with your
listen me out.
threats and
Then
your
my friend-
fake promises.
Select every money them, I'm going there, you want money. I like my gun them, man.
You see,
That's nothing to
you
you,
see,
mommy.
you and
Nothing
your
about
son,
You
now you're a friend.
really are coming to my yard,
Listen,
Papa,
listen
and
to you,
threatening
mommy.
me
Listen,
and my
listen
son
to
in my
you.
yard.
Me not
Go
check
them
you.
out, check him.
Me
He
just
have
a say,
money. He go them
if you
want money.
love your son, talk to him. If you love your mother,
Out,
talk
out,
to
out,
him.
out,
Worry
out,
yourself.
out,
Love
out,
yourself.
out, out. Me love
When I
myself.
sleep-
That's why you not
Listen,
perplex
you
my
know,
brain
walk
today.
down, make sure see you back on everything. You see me? When I sleep,
Think some money can
Me
frighten
say,
we.
me say, if me asleep and a mosquito just comes and zoom,
worry yourself, man.
me know it's a job one.
Come out to me yard with your foolishness.
Me say,
Come out to the yard with your
if me asleep
foolishness.
and a mosquito says zoom, a job
Where you
one.
go to boat? You can make a one room for yourself, daddy. 6 foot deep.
Go on, man.
Check me.
It's a promise.
You bring the threat first. Come out to me yard.
It's a promise.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Kind
Oh,
of devil.
Sure.
Boy, will win lottery. You must have think so we're born yesterday.
Tell my friend them can give me one check.
No, man, no bother with it. No bother with it.
I see me can
You know, sir, so in town. Oh, God. Let me take a little breeze, man. Sun hot. Ui. What happened?
Yeah.
Ui. You just don't let me get up. I want to talk to you. I'm glad you come out. I don't really think so you should really chase down the chin, you know. Because, look it. Papa, I come and I threaten you. All I threaten me too. So like anything that start good a morning, now go end good a evening. Candy come with our warnings. Him come with him warnings. You know where it's it, my son.
Mama, you know, so when I fight over woman already, mama. No, mama, you know, fight over woman, you know. So, but if you know, if you understand the truth, you're not 22. You're a big old man. If you go look in one size.
That's true. That's
Ma
true.
push up with the money business.
Aye.
Where I come from, you know. So if I like to in all win, but that's how you go.
You
No
know.
war, no boy ever know, woman.
And that me love. Because there's so much fish in the sea, my son. Me don't want you lose your life. Me don't want nothing to you.
Like, understand again now, mommy. Remember, say me and her grow, you know.
Me know.
I will love one another, you know. I don't want to build with one another, you know. You know, I'm come fight other things. And I told me now no money. Them have money. Then if you give me a small price,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I'm to them, but which I got tell, man.
So what, you really love her?
I mean, I love her, I want her down, so.
Morning.
Morning, baby.
Job
You
one,
alright?
Wagwan.
And then I talk to my mother, yeah.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah, man, there. Mhm.
How your mother?
Well, she alright, no. She just down in my ears, about the other man, about the with the other man, money. Me can't, right now, me can't bother. Me frustrated.
Candy?
Mm-hmm. So if you talk to Popeye, can you have money and re.
So hold on, she really a push you to him for money?
Like you want choose for me. Make it right now. Me soon run away.
No man, you not for run away. Talk to you. Me never know so can this say. Talk to your mother here. Me can't tell you who for love. You say you love my son. What is your intentions and feelings towards Jawbone?
Well, me like him, you know. And we grew up together and everything. So, it better because we know each other for a long time.
See? But you man running push him in for money, man. Even know if money man have
Me tell him say, you don't know where fast life come with, you know.
Oh.
You don't know where that the man they do for money, but.
Same win lottery.
So me say you believe him?
Me not believe him. Him full of mouth. Him full of mouth. Well, like girl, me can't tell you what to do in life, you know. There's young people, but you have on your own head. But I may say, be careful. And I think about say, nothing lasts forever, you know. And I think about say, if God forbid you no mash up in a relationship, what gonna happen then? Remember, so not best friend. Me and your mother are best friend.
The best friend thing move for a long time. My relationship, me I pray now. No best friend thing. Relationship. More pray if you marry them soon. And build a nice little house.
What? What you do to my son, so? What? A serious talk you there now?
Serious, man. Serious.
When you grow up on me and turn big man and talk about marriage.
Yeah, remember say, you know, but I can't go in a house and easy, you know.
Alright.
So easy.
Alright. Don't do nothing me wouldn't do now.
We know, man.
Remember say that to make one something there.
Oh God. What a way time change from cold to hot, but thank you, Jeff, for the heat. We. Oh, talking of heat. Come a sexy hot friend.
This one and thing, man, make it come like it Joe.
Yeah, right.
You know, for me not drink. Remember, say me not drink and me not smoke. You know, for girl, you not rate me, you know. You know, for me, if you walk from, you come look for you all the while.
Oh God.
Come give me a hug, man. You stand too bad.
Come.
Come like, you come.
Stand up for your foot, man. You win palm
No,
pints.
I son when me walk in. I come like you never they walk in and son it and you feel like I say some hard work you did I do.
I'll see mini too.
Wait there, me sound good
sit
man,
down,
me
man.
sound
Come
good.
sit down.
Me no want to sit down, me tell me just come out and sun little bit and come in and shady. So I go on.
Why? They I give thanks. I give thanks and I look on it and say, look how we did cold the other day. And now we are above the hot.
I
Boy.
check me come check up on you. You know eat already and something?
Food up on the fire and thing a bubble.
Yeah sure. So
Yeah,
your belly
man.
looks so flat today and you got the big
No, come in and eat yet.
oh yeah.
Food up on pot. Fire, I mean. Pot up on
Food
fire.
up on pot. And the pot up on fire.
I must say the same son
understand.
that diss me out. So.
Yes.
So one different for you.
But then, you know, I say, girl, me have some money to get.
You're blessed. Me love
7
that.
million. Well,
How?
me go come out here and come back and look for you again. Me no look, Carly say me no look for you yet. Me just a come.
Yeah, deal. We are going so far.
How that? I know my daughter.
Candy, you still dizzy? You don't know you wanna pick me?
Charmian, me want if you stay as a friend. Me no want to stay as no, like me and no enemy. Who that they on your step? They come out of your house. I know my daughter. Who that? Me never know say me have twin. Identical.
The first time you see a picnic come out of my house?
Yes, of course. Me never
So
know-
then she not grow ya?
No, listen.
So if me in a house.
Me a talk since she get so big. When she did little, she used to come in your yard. Tap act like me a idiot. Where she they come out here? Oh, them a time at the yeah. You come here. Yeah,
is
come
not
bite
this.
fingernail. Like a. I want you there in a Shamin house. Come come see Shamin sit down and say you can't tell me no lie. I hope I know you're on job one day in there.
So if me sit down in a house, I watch TV with
No, I'm
my
a friend.
Time.
No. Me a no idiot. He's my friend. Me never say You can't come our yard. But me not trust you and Jabon. Where Jabon there?
In a watch TV.
So it what did in there?
So me not see nothing wrong with that.
What
So
you
if we
mean?
just
Where
watch
they
For
do
the
it-
first
Actually, we
time.
actually
Charmaine.
and I watch TV, so what wrong with
This a
that?
girl here. So hold on there. One to man let me tell you about the money man. How you dey do up here? So whip up me send you.
So if me just sit down, come look for me friend.
What your friend? I'm my friend.
Hold on.
You have to call it say your auntie. Although
Yes.
you're not nothing. Where you talk about? Where you talk about? Me send you figure look for the money man.
Jaja.
So you can get some money for better your life if I do one little business. And you catch a broke pocket job when you
Hold
had.
on, Candy. Me hear the talk. A true.
What?
You really a sell out your picnic for true? Me couldn't believe it, man. Me said no, not my sister in cat.
So you want
So-
your son to go chat to
so hold
poor
on.
girl who not no money?
If the child says she like him and him say him like her,
Yeah.
you can't control that.
You see that like there? When my daughter like your son and your son say him like my daughter and I really like, you know, spell like or like spell, it spell different.
Oh, treat no spend MONEY.
Me not talk about money right now. Me I talk about like so till it end up to love, like it grow.
So hold on.
And I really like
you
that
like
day.
Popeye?
Me never know that the man there. No.
Tap tell lie.
Me don't know him.
So how you push the
stop
child
and
to
tell.
the
And I
big
never
old
see him. I hear
broke
about
foot
him.
man?
I hear
Papa
about
foot no broke, I'm a friend. Shamin, me and friend and me and Papa a friend. You know say Papa foot no broke. Copy. And you know say your money. Cause you hear the other day on the news saying
You
win lotto.
see it? You see it?
I
Eh?
me the
So-
ask her.
somebody win lotto and I tell you, say, we are going to give this, we are going to give that, and wait few months, see? A promise is a comfort to a fool. Don't make him fool you, Candy. You're too wise for that man.
And how me hear about it, he's a big man.
You act like you never talk to him and you never see me. That's what you say, Shamin?
Me never see him, and me never talk to him. Me only hear about him.
Yeah. And that job won't tell you fix it to me.
Everything
Not
a job.
Nobody
What
put blame
do
on
you
my
with job?
son.
But every minute you want to put blame on the boy. Allow him alone.
You man no scapegoat,
Shamin not go
Candy.
take you in, no? Shamin not go take you in if you breed.
Me nah look
You
take
no
him,
know
me
my
nah
friend,
breed,
me
nah-
know my
no-
friend.
No breed, no come in there because we not reach at them the stage yet. We just
Every
a talk
time you
how
no
we
reach at them,
like.
they say, Jay. So till when me look, me see belly. What a same thing.
Well, you not go see belly.
Oh. Okay. Anyway. Go on back into your job one, but plan to come up on my yard for you close them. I want to talk to my friend.
I watch TV.
Then go on back and watch your TV, you know, me and talk to my friend. Go on where I go. Me just avoid you. You know, I'm not in no argument and toe to toe with you. You are 22. Me no busy with you, it's your friend. Go and go damage it. Go and go damage it. But when you damage it, plan for come for what? What me did just tell you say. Cause you look like you no member. Anyway, come here. Come here before you go in there, so. Me want to know if Charmaine, me know how you feel now way when you hear me talk about Jabon and this girl. Because you know when me go through to find one good father like that little girl like that. I mean no want she pick up no broke pocket man. Let me ask you one question. Out of a chat to the man we have money. We can give you money to buy anything you want and go take one broke pocket man we cannot buy then feather ya to make your go quinty back. Which one I prefer? The feather them where you have, see there, they look nice and pretty. Me know say yes you feel nice, you're smiling. But job one cannot afford them. Me know my friend can afford them more than 40. He can build a factory give you. Papa can build hotel give you. Papa can build your house and buy your vehicle. That the man they win lotto, me know me not tell me no lie. So you prefer broke pocket man, you hear that?
So Candy, me can ask you something.
Ask me anything you want.
So if Popeye never win the lotto, I see him say you would promote him
Me
to
don't want him chat to me daughter cause me no want no broke pocket man talk to me daughter. You knows me and I knows
Me
you.
never realize I say you love money so.
Money must love me and I
Gotcha.
love money always too.
So our
So
feelings
you
no
don't
matter.
love money?
Our feelings no matter.
What? She have feelings.
Me ask him
But
if he-
what kind of feelings?
Me ask
See
him.
broke pocket man? We ask
Me ask you, you say your friend like me, but you know if me like back your friend.
You know, I feel like him. Him a go take care of you and give you money.
What is this? Pin my ride.
You know, I feel like him as long as he like you and him a spend everything up and running.
Candy, you turn pin my ride.
Me had the chimp long time. I say me I used to dip on the
Your
bridge. Stop it.
daughter though. You know what better for you? Picnic supposed to rise bigger and better than we. We struggle and batter and do what we have to do.
Look how much woman there in a world where love man and man and the man no love them and then spend money for the man. And if vice versa. Look how much man they will love woman, the woman not have to love a man. The woman don't go on and say, he not even have to give him no front. Just make him pinch it so one side way, you know, and look funny. He not even have to do nothing to it. Be a money just a little so blah 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 and you can buy feather and put back on your eye. And you go to print back that. I hate that. You understand? Yeah. And you don't want to dress up and look nice and sitting. You see him one time, Papa I give you money, no, but I got call my name to Jabon now, you know. Because when, you know, say Jabon now no clothes, when Papa I give you money.
My son have clothes, stop it.
Sorry,
If you are pimp out your child, me can't say nothing about that.
Sorry, I still turn up there, so, but I know you may talk to me, I'm going to talk about your son.
Exactly,
You can't take money from Papa and buy 2 pieces of clothes, give Jabon, but then say you don't want him. You just give him 2 pieces of clothes, you're sorry for him. Yeah.
And you gonna do it?
Me dear,
Wow.
she must do it. I'm your mother, you know.
Okay,
What you feel like?
yes, she's our
Talk
mother.
truth.
Mother is a strong word. You give birth to her,
One
but
talk to
boy.
my friend. Me don't talk to you. I hope you take what me say and put in your head. You talk about Jabon and the piece of Papa give me that the money there, me buy that piece of pink shirt. Say, you go on where you go. But you want chat to man when I no money. I'm going to lock up in a house.
Joke here,
Which joke? Me serious as me turn up your son underneath God's son. She must chat to man with money. I'm serious. Eh, you know see how old me I get? So my daughter fi go down in a sufferation road. Look how much when me cannot help myself, she can't help me either. Liar tell. Charmaine, don't do that. You know when you ask if you no money, me can give you to.
Well, me not hungry for money, so man.
Me hungry
You
for
pimp
it.
my ride. I pimp my ride, you tell you know.
Charmaine.
You pimp her ride. You
Me
know,
nah
even pimp
pimp
your
nothing.
ride. You pimp your
She
ride.
a adult 22. She can make up her mind.
So
yeah.
what? So hold on. So what if she make up her mind and decide say yes, she go there with job on, or some other man? Cause you know how young people head cheap.
What if he make up his mind saying go there with job on? We should have job on. Yeah, talk. Fear job on or one different.
Or
job
any
on.
other man? What if she follow her feelings?
No, you can talk to one job on, but a job on them we have money. Not the job on them we don't have no money to spend.
Cha-cha.
You crazy?
So
and you don't
hold
want my
on.
daughter go mega mad.
So how you
Eh?
not do it and you want she do it, eh? A broke man you there with the whole time I have 11 teen pick the for. Eh? But you want pimp out for your ride. Oh God, Candy. I mean no say Miss Dorothy never pimp out your ride. And you did love the salt thing. Cha-cha.
Shami, me a friend, you have to be honest.
That me I do.
Money run things. God come first in my life, then what? Money. Because if you don't have God and you don't have money back at it, you're not going to reach where you want to reach in real life. In Jamaica, we work all the days of our life until they do part and you don't build a house and buy a vehicle. Girl, you know say that.
That is the insensible
Insensible
one.
way.
Me know
Young,
people
young,
start
young, young.
business with
From
bad
me know you,
juice
you not chat
and
nothing with
30
sense.
at the... No, because me not promote. Me not
Shami,
promote
you feel
my
love money. You
ride.
crazy?
Me not say money right up there with oxygen, but for pimp out my child.
I know pimp me a pimp her out.
How are that then?
She a adult.
And
She a adult.
I said,
She knows so when me I
so
say
what
right.
she want no matter.
What she want matters. But the point is, she can't so young and nice and pretty and at the age of 22, she a think about poverty road. Sufferation road. You crazy? And so much man out there so we love her like that and cherish her and mind her.
And I love that. I buy her. And then control her.
Control her.
You don't know that. When
Control
a man
her.
a give you money, them feel so them own you and can control you.
No,
Little
man.
from
And
this,
every
I
man say
control
so.
and I beat
It's
her.
not
And
every
I tell her, say, she can't come check you. What you would do
No,
then?
well you have a point, but I know every man stays. So you have man will love you for real in a real life and mind you straight down to the max.
The
And if you even
children,
ain't love the
make
man,
them mistake. Make
if-
them buck them too.
even if you never love the man and the man love you like that, to the way the man a treat you, your love will grow. Yeah. Yes.
Oh God, okay.
We are call
We
God
live
like I
and
say a
learn.
sitting bad me I say.
No man, we
Which
live
parents
and
now
learn.
want good for their child?
Of course.
I am not going to send my
but-
child to no
but the
man that
child no
cannot
want
afford to
do
help
it.
them in real
A
life.
pimp that, you know, if
No,
you
me
never
nah,
know
me nah.
a pimp that.
Me nah
Next
pimp
thing you
her.
know, go, you know, you go box her down when
No,
she
me
not
nah
do
box
what you
her
want.
down.
Like a
No.
real pimp
A
then.
long time I stop put my hand on my daughter, but me need her to have sense. She needs something in life.
Yes, if you have ambition in life,
You hear what
yes,
them say?
absolutely.
Good wa.
And you fi tell me.
Good wa forget wa. Don't
fi
let me
tell
tell
me.
you. You know already.
Okay.
Eh? When you have the good, what you forget. Don't let me talk, cause you know already. Good wa.
You would think so you don't want better for your child.
Pussy is the
especially you
name of
get
a cat.
girl child.
I'm going to give you a clue. Pussy is the name of a cat. Good wa forget wa. Don't let me tell you.
You
cause
fi know. You fi
me know
know.
that long time
You fi
because I'm
know,
not stupid.
because boy.
Oh. Shamin, I make you suffer so you know. I make you
Me
worse so much
rather
bills
suffer
you
and
know.
hold my head up.
Blood of
So
Jesus
me
against
can't-
separation.
Me can't
You
walk the
crazy?
street and hold my head up. Me
Are you
know
mad?
Me not pimp up my child and my
Me not
no,
pimp her out.
and
If you
the
have
child
sense
too.
and use her
The
head to have
child
something in her
don't
life
want
to come
give
out of
him it.
separation.
The child no want give him the front and you tell him
No
to
one give
sell
you
her
which front?
team.
Me didn't tell her if you go give Papa your front.
What you think Papa I want?
If
Our
Papa-
brain?
Alright.
Our brain
Him a
he want,
man, and even if he want front, him a go spend money to get that front. And if she don't want to give him the front and he give her the money, him can't hold down my daughter and take no front from her. Cause if my daughter tell me that Papa I know so me will take off every bone
So
and
you're
skin
gonna
off
put her
her
in
body.
that the situation.
She not
and
go
then
down in her head.
hope
She have
and beg.
sense. She have sense. Are you a wind up my daughter, you know? I tell her wind up her head, you know, and I tell her play foolishness, make she come there with the
And me a
daughter, you know.
Me a daughter
Cause
one
I mean,
son
the
me
way me
have.
and you close, my daughter shouldn't do with your son, no all.
Well, me agree with that because them grow like more like brother and sister. But
And you have her in your
realize,
house, cock up with your
the
son.
more you fight it is, the more you gonna push them together.
Me
You know?
nah fight nothing,
The
me just
more
a
you
tell her.
fight them down,
the
is the
truth.
more you gonna push them together.
Really?
You know
Then
that?
Charmian,
Hi.
you willing to go take up, remember your son at 22, you know, it was my same year, year old, and then born the same year. So, you go turn granny. Me a granny already. You almost turn granny and two, the girl did lose your son pick me. Anyway, so you make up your mind for plan for living a separation life. You not have it already, and you want your daughter to go breed with man, or your son, or your whosoever to go breed for man or for woman. Where the hell? Then you alone sit down and suffer and struggle them mind. Grand pitney when your daughter should have turn on mine or your son turn on mine. My son them and my daughter them. Me never mind them if you come turn around mine me, you know, cause me not say them a pension, you know. Cause now every kids you spend money upon we turn around and come help you, but some will, the good heart one them remember them upon them. But what I am saying is that
But the ones you force,
me
you
can't
gonna
make
remember
my
you go
pitney
candy.
see with me 2 years before it happen and then watch it till it happen. See my daughter or my son, they go down sufferation lane, they pick up poverty and they run in a destruction lane and make them go on. Me have
But
to encourage them to
you know,
better me.
Yes, but you know, encourage her to have self-pride and be the empress she really is.
Yeah.
When she sell her front to any and anybody now.
I don't sell
and
she a
take-
sell Papa in front. Me never tell her to go sell her
Hold
front.
on.
I mean not tell no lie pa me say
Go
pa.
to him, what him want? Him want her brain.
Then
Go to him.
Which brain?
When him get what him want, him I go give her money and a sell her.
no man,
receipt
she
that.
a big woman. He can use,
Cha-cha.
she can use protection and do
Okay.
whatever with Papa. And if she don't want to, Papa, I cannot force her. Man love woman and
but
want
you
spend
can
money.
force her,
No,
though.
I'm not forcing her.
No,
But
she
me
don't want it.
I know.
If the child
Me
tell
no
you
put
say
no
that
knife on me
she don't
daughter neck, you know.
want it.
Me no
You
put.
just tell her say she not do it, she have to leave your house. And I force that.
No.
Oh God, Candy.
Me
man,
never
Mr.
say so. A
Richard
liar
never do
tell
that.
for me. Me
Mr.
say
Richard never-
anytime he make job one breed him, he come up on me yard for him clothes, then you too lie. Every time you tell lie for me. Me never tell me daughter say if he can't chat to Papa enough he come on me yard. He go wrong way and go lead down with your son. She know if he come back on me yard, come for your clothes, them and that me say. Anyway, Shamin,
Yes,
me I run
ma'am.
go down, go take up my clothes them because
All
you see
right.
although his son come on so hot,
Deceiving.
it look like the sky look like a kind of cloudy, so me I go home. Me want go take up my clothes them off a line, cause I just one dress me have.
Oh God, hush.
The whole of my drawers them me hang pan line, somebody thief them. And left me with one dress. So you see one dress right now me not have none, you know. Remember me tell you, but not tell nobody.
All
Me I
right.
go take up The one jazz car, you see, like me wear it today, me have to wash it tonight to get it to
For
put it on the
tomorrow.
next day. Yeah, cause me no have a fridge to put it behind if you make it dry. So me go take up my one jazz and me 2 blouse off I line with my one skirt and my one piece of tights. Cause me no want them teeth. You see here when me live in a, you know all the era still me live in a base stocking there.
Them not like see black
Thief
people have them.
thief. Anyway, me I go home till later.
All
Yeah?
right, walk good, my friend.
right.
Walk good. Now pot for pissing, but want to.
Ah, look how long me tell your mother say you come on my yard. Send you come on my yard. I know where you come from. Them a time of day.
No worry about that.
Everybody don't worry about that. Look how long me I look how much days on top of days.
I me tell you say a job one me like.
I'm telling you, you can't like them the dirty football, they don't have no money.
How you know that? You have money?
Of course. You know, yes, I win the lotto.
Yeah, me here, but me not sure.
Oh, you remember you're not sure? I win the lotto.
I can't lie or tell.
Why would I lie?
Me not know.
I win the lotto with you. I mass up and collect my money. Because me no want the whole neighborhood know say me win the lotto. Me shouldn't even tell you.
So how much I get?
You don't worry
You
about
not-
how much me get.
Remember
Me
say you walk and spread it, so me hear you already so.
Me get good amount. I get a lot amount that can help right through, start me off, put me on the cloud, you know, fly through the cloud. Girl like you no deserve than the man there. Then the man there if you go wash your plate, hotel. Your mother look for your mother. For your mother recommend me. Me is the only man on this earth can save you.
You know Jesus.
No, me never mean that way there. I can save you from poverty.
Save yourself.
How to save myself and me have money? This is worth $1 million in Colombia.
Eh?
Yes! Me have money. Money on top of money. Now watch how me dress, now watch how me
But that me a
talk.
watch, you know, that me a watch.
And that fool no for no young girl nowadays. That fool no. You see, you see the boy them with them pants and them batty. You feel say they have money. Or them foot. Some of the girl who walk listen no. Only feel love boy with them heel back crack off of them slippers. And crack up and dirty. Some of the man with them pants and them batty, if you look on their underpants, it's full of shit.
So you look for a man underpants.
If them a walk past and go up on me, yeah, they up. Me have to see the shit mark.
Oh, bro.
Like them a take something too.
You sure you not take nothing?
Hey, if you sure, listen to me. Just make me go work or something, man.
What my message is?
I feel it. Just make me go
I feel
work.
me?
Yeah, man, I you me a give, man. Just make me go work or something.
How much you say this, Abby?
1 point something million in a
5
Colombian.
million.
So, me can work or something. Your mother not fi know. No make you know so me give the money.
Although me not gonna make you know, cause me no want to feel like say me are in things now.
Right. So you know make me know that. And Jabo now go know because you're the man sex already?
No. We just a talk.
You're a virgin?
Yes.
Well, no worry about that. When me and you do what we do now, and you go check him tomorrow, you put some ketchup with you. And lock off the light. Now, give me till the day, now, lock off the light, and just put the ketchup and say, ah! I make 2 scream. I make him see blood, make him look like a blood. No matter of fact, I have some fake blood over my yard.
Oh.
Can't use it. So I believe say I him take a virginity, you see me? So just work, it not take long, man. A long time I like you, you know. Long time I like you. I say, yeah, it's a girl like you. Can bear everything.
I said this a 1.5 million.
$1.5 million in a Colombian. You don't have to worry about that, man.
Tell them me not rich now.
Yes! You see what me I try to show you? You're a rich girl already. You think Jabon could have done that? Talk it truth. You can't even give me my money too. Me not have a problem. Me side man. Him Ozzy. Me side man. Right? So you check me give you money, you carry money go give him. So me, sugar daddy, Sideman, sugar daddy. Sideman, sugar daddy. Any one of them. Sweetie stick, any one of them. If you even want to call me Bobo the clone, me not have a problem. Right?
Alright.
But me just now go put on the red nose, now the colour here. You just look for me as a clone and take my money. Only a clone would have take them money. Hard working money, you feel me like uno fit mind other man. And the eyelash then too. No way then the big eyelash there. They will blind you.
They not blind me.
All me a look for you, I just see eyelash me I see. Me not see nothing, me not see the beauty. Just go natural. Me I teach you something, go natural. No put on no makeup. Cause the last girl, I can't go on my yard and I think she did brown, you know. Yes, when time you had a whole a shower. Jesus, the whole of the makeup come off. She black.
Oh.
I think she did brown. And the worst part is she fool because I love black woman more. But me just think she did brown. Don't worry about that, come on.
Alright, come on, me want to hurry up and me I go change the money at bank later.
Yeah man, don't worry about that. Not change it. Nobody go to bank. Me say don't carry go to bank. You keep it. Come.
What me I keep it for? I'm rich. Alright, come on.
Yeah man, you keep it man. This up.
Let me see how much is this value. Let me see at 1.5 million, you know. So. Fuck afford a 1.5 million for you.
Boy, you come back. Boy, me can sit down and rest me tired body. Hey! So you couldn't tidy up your place, trying off your room.
Me not too
Wait,
long
hold on there. How about that thing? Let me see. How you do? You get money, man? And you couldn't call me and tell me say you come back.
1.5 million.
Eh?
Yeah.
Then 1.5 million can hold in a year hand. Let me see.
You know, see what kind of money?
Wait. How get this?
No worry, just no say nothing. How you do?
You don't know nothing, you know. Young but not know stand. Me I do what me I do. And whosoever know what me I do, we know what me I do. From you don't know make it on.
So make you crush up your money, so?
Leffy. Wait there. Dead.
What you
This
mean?
not have no life in it. Hold on.
I not tear your money because later I go down a bank go change it.
Don't know which bank. They shall lock you up for forgery and fraud and everything in a one. Who tell us that this real? How give you? Jesus Christ, me no know say you're idiot. Father God, 1 out of 11 pitney when me have a idiot. The other 10 have sense. Chin, who give you this? Come me sure say I could never my friend Papai. Papai money then real. This not real. You know see what mark funny? Props. It not good, it fake. So you know big old 20 yo, you don't know money? We good? Any police here with this, a matter of fact, the whole of business place them nowadays have camera. And if you're going to go spend this, then have the machine where if you put in it, if you check it, see if it good, if they not send if you look so and see if it good. So you make dirty job and give you fake money. And then they can't tell me a 1 point too much I say. What is? 1.25 holding a for your hand. For your little hand. So much money holding a. Girl, you know see what this is? If he even did good or he not good. If I did real money, yesterday in change the layer, I would have 45,000. And a matter of fact, the currency gone down now, so I would have less than 45. And plus, you know, good known thought. Police will lock up your backside enough if you walk around with fake money, you know. So them the type of man they want. Man will figure fake things. So the first day I see me saying fake. You know real. Then you want next jackass to take fake money from man. Even if I'm not job on you, I do not care. Why you take this? You don't know real money? And my man tell me say I job on gate, but you don't want chat. How man figure your money and you don't know? People give you money and you don't know who? I tell you no one tell me. But I don't care. But me not go give you this. See you gone on jail, if you know police come call me, I go give them my number. Cause I know me give you. Chin! Me I talk to you, come and turn your back.
hear you.
Yeah, you hear me. This a 1 point too much million, you say 1.5 that you did say? Eh?
Mm-hmm.
You're wicked to backside. Worse than it's somebody will give you this here. This is fake. This cannot spend. It's not real. And if it did real, you could never get $1.5 million for 300 US. You're a jackass. Come out of my room. And take back your fake money, go light your fire. Where? Damn fool. Man win lotto and money figure, you know, want money for them, you go take fake money from another man. Papi show.
Oh, God.
Yes, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. You can't stop me again. You
Who
can't
stop
stop
you?
me.
Are you stop me?
No, I don't mean like that. You can't block traffic for me again, you know. Me done bypass that the traffic there with bicycle. Shoo!
What kind of traffic you talk about?
Yeah.
Your car?
Oh,
What kind of traffic you they talk about?
yeah.
And me block.
You can't stop me, you can't block traffic. Me
Ah.
done gone through the traffic already.
So you go pick up the money?
Huh?
You go pick up the money?
Me don't want you. So
I
you
don't
talk about
care.
pick up money.
You go pick up the money.
Ah.
If you help your friend them, man. And the money you get now?
Which money?
You tell me, say me have to wait a little while for you to get the money. And you're happy. Me say happy as Larry all 30 to a show. So you must get the money now.
Money give you. You
So you forget, me not like certain black people, you know.
I work, me I go now, you know. Me, I evening work, me do right now.
Ah,
so I work, me I go right
so
now.
you win the lottery, you still at the in the slavery Babylon system. I lie you tell Papa about win lottery. Me no see you don't love work like that.
Oh,
And you win lottery.
All right.
And gone back to Babylon work.
all right. Since as me done get what me want and me traffic no black. You see, if I were you want to know, yes, me win the lottery. But me love work. Me not lazy like your son.
Love work. I don't talk about my
I
son.
want him to tell you, tell him say anything he get, he take that. I tell her that.
What you say what?
Anything he get, he take it.
Hey, Papa, and my son, you're threatening. You're threatening my family. Eh? You're there in front of me, you're threatening my family. You threaten my son with what?
Me a check your son?
What am I gonna get? Eh? What am I gonna get? You
Me
think
not-
some show me little bit tell away, you know?
Me not check your son. Me say anything he get, he take it. That's all me say, you know.
So what kind of a parable talk you talk? Hey, Papa, I know what you do, you know?
Suppose how money he get.
Are you giving money? Hold on. Me I come give you offer. And you gonna give my son money. And something you tell me? Something you tell me? You get the free offer. Well, ain't not free, but you gonna get the offer. For a price.
No, listen.
And am my son you want?
Listen, me can't want you now, you know, cause that's who me have money, you want me. Back then when me never have no money, I mean want you. Where did you tell me say
You
one
don't
time?
have no strong back for me, but now you have a little bit of change. You kind of straighten up your back.
That's why you did tell your son to back off because he don't have no little bit of change.
Hey,
You should have
you
back
got
off.
back out the job when you allow my son, you know. Because if I hear been out of shape on him head, you may come for you
Him
know.
not in my class.
No,
my
in a
class.
dance class. In a dance class, for true. Him really not in your class. That's the first true thing you say since we meet you.
I want him want to tell you, say, you know, me done see the prayer already, you know. And me done know some that child hold a little empress from me, you know.
The
But
child you mean? The child you want to grow up, you mean?
all you go on, you know. Father God see and know say, for me time come.
Father
Yeah.
God knows so them, the little pity them heart here. You have ice heart or stone heart and you can't understand that. Go do the lottery that you say you win. Yeah. Go do the
And
lottery.
when me collect you, me drive my Benz come up in there, so me see
Hey, you can't even drive tricycle. Take off the training wheel off of your bicycle. Eh? Take off the training wheel and then when you can ride bicycle on 2 wheels, then you can talk.
all right, no worry your head. You later, yes, Mr. Bone,
I do you now.
man of the yard,
Man
broke
of the
foot
hour.
man, broke pocket man. Are you control the girl? Yeah, man, me know, man. I know you tell the girl
So you
all
come
the
with
things
now?
against me, but yes or no, no.
I don't have time to talk about what
My
you
job
man.
done already, you know. I'm not business, you know. I'm not business with her anymore. You can take her.
What you mean by your job done already?
You can take her, man.
What you mean by your job done already?
You don't worry about that.
You see him look at
Every
you
time when the black traffic for me, me figure out a way off the curve, the traffic. So me make sure me take a bicycle and just cut through the traffic left, you know. So you see, all
you
of
find something
one.
different.
Yes! Don't worry about that.
Something different to find.
You see, anything you get, you take it.
What you mean by that?
Because I don't want her again. Me give up on her.
All of a sudden, so.
Yeah!
And you kill up yourself for it, so.
Oh!
You.
Yeah, that's a one time. But she in love with you. Me don't have no problem. So we just stay away from her. So you alone can control her, you see me?
That's not sound bad. That more still come, you know. Competition with nobody, you know.
Yeah,
No
man, you can
conscious.
take her, man, and you want to live happily in a poor life. You see me?
No,
Rich me, I pray.
So some man see your future. You know your future whole, you know.
We don't know where your future will be.
You don't know your future whole. Just like when everyone say they win lotto. You know, so me can't wake up a morning. And me short.
Me short where? In a way? Under hoof roof.
At Jamaica, listen.
Under here, mother roof, you love money, so.
Watch out.
A while ago, me sing in Bossy Corner gone over.
You see, listen, man. Me short, man. Jamaica we live in now.
Listen to me.
We not we
Listen to the word where you say. Jamaica you live in.
Yeah.
Which type of work gonna make you rich? In a 1 year time.
Less than a year.
Which type of work gonna give you $1 million in a less than a year?
All one day to me can get all 10 million.
Never.
Me mad me friend them show me
Never.
ropes. My friend them show me ropes.
If you
Look
don't,
on this, sir. You see this, sir? What you call? Phone. Yeah, me call. $1 million call.
criminal work.
Criminal
I
work?
do criminal work.
No. I'm not criminal work. I
Only
stick
young
up
boy,
nobody.
tell you, I see him to me say no. Only young boy, all of them don't take for the phone and no dial.
No.
And no take with people 9 to 5 money.
Listen me out. Remember say no. me a
Somehow I go a
hard-working
party.
boy.
Somehow no man, I go a party, go do money pull up. And tomorrow morning, no pick me hungry.
Me nah no pitney.
No, me just show you an example. Somehow the boy scam people money, go a party, go give select all 200,000. And the poor pick me their yard and suffer.
Sometimes, listen man, sometimes you see we give select $1 million, $2 million. Me buy a science man work with, you know. So the science man take rope, if you make more, and give him all 3 mil. By a morning at 10 me make. Quick.
You see the next thing? This one I try to show you before you go to God.
No, God and myself
When
provide
you
before them and to you.
when you go to science, man.
No, our man them a
Shut-
say,
shut up.
listen me
Me a talk.
talk.
You see, this Obia man them, when they all over the place, because I not say only one island, you know. Then they everywhere.
Me know
You
that.
see the Obia man them, then we get things faster. But you don't know what happen. Anything will come too fast, no good.
True.
Anything where you get too quick,
But
no
listen
good.
me now, you know hear me say now. And my
Listen,
friend
the
them work
devil.
with science and work with God.
The devil will push you in the sweets and continue to give you things. You see, the moment the devil asks if you're a family member and you can't proceed the family member, everything goes back to the devil. But yet when you pray to God and pray to God Almighty and pray, God bless you and forever hold your blessing right through. Take that as a lesson. And you can keep it going. I'm not business anymore.
No, I'm
You take that as a lesson. Me not run no more competition. We're bigger
I'm
than
not running
that.
for a man. You're running for a man. I'm
You're
not
a
running.
big
You know.
man.
And you are running. I'm
So
telling
you
you,
don't
say.
know what me get. Oh,
I forget him to come fix the door, man. Sure.
What, mommy?
Well,
Boy, Papa see me in the street a while ago and tell me say him give up. I want to know what really I go and make him give up, so. And look at him fight and I go on, so.
and I tell, yeah, because me see him earlier too, and he was talking and chatting a parables about anything you get if you take and thing.
That's what he tell me too. That's what he tell me too. But I don't know what I mean by that, but he saying give up. He forfeit the race. Some take Brownie and go on with Brownie now. But me I wonder what could I go up in and Brownie now? What go on? I went go do or what?
Me not trust him, you know. Walk with your God, because me not trust him.
I mean, I pray saying good as a chop me and left you with something, you know. So use my protection, you know, cause boy, I don't want to get
So hold on. So you got there already?
No, I never go there yet.
Oh, come here one day if you
I
go there
just say
without
me and say,
protection.
no, I say
You
me and say cause if a man don't want a woman so bad, I must sit and go on, if nobody want him again or something the woman.
Because him can't take no for answer.
How much and you say he turn millionaire. You know, in change his mind.
Papa, I chop pure fat. You don't realize that yet. Him turn millionaire and still wear Papa clothes. And you ask him for that and he can't produce it. Lottery that take how much months and him must say him go collect. And him can't collect and show feet. I fought my chap, man.
Boy, I don't know what going on, but you guys say you left mama alone now, I can't take him for myself.
That candy surprised me though. To God, all the years, my son, me never know so she would have got so low for sell her daughter for cha-cha. And she can't stand Papa, you know.
I said sell Papa daughter?
You know, she say, what she wants Papa to get her. Because Papa have money now.
All I see him.
So maybe Candy change her mind.
Change her mind. Or the man change his mind. Something in a something.
Something in a something for true. Just take sleep mark that and watch it because me not trust.
True, but right now, can't go in the house now easy, you know.
Alright. Dinner in the kitchen, it cover up for you. Here it's in the oven. You're stronger than me, you can't open that the door.
Boy, mommy, me not see Papa from me no competition again, you know. I'm not too like that still, but I have to go and work with him.
So you don't see him none at all?
I don't see him at all. About 4 or 5 years now, I don't see him.
Him not there on the road that long?
I don't know what's going on.
Still keep your guards up, but
I mean,
it look like say he mean it this time.
but something in a something.
Of course.
Only if you just left so, and you want to give much money.
So hold on, you see Chin since?
Yeah, man. This thing I see her, man. I see about to play the same way, man. Check him, see him, check me same way.
And she not she?
See, man.
Talk to the devil and she up
Like,
here.
he never want bad curry, my belly heart him there. I want to you.
I feel good, you know.
I want to you now, I cannot feel good.
No, I say me I can't ask you for money for your doctor.
Oh, you know, say, I don't have no money, you know. I'm low right now, I don't for a man in. I'm a reason for a man in about life.
So when you say you not feel well, what do you?
No, the same one got doctor.
So what? You have diarrhea, you have vomit, pain, what?
I don't know, you know, I just know so I don't feel good.
What you eat for a morning?
Food,
What kind of food?
rice and peas and chicken.
You have your appetite though.
I say our curry chicken I eat. Probably something like brown to them, man. But no yourself, man. Probably check your look more and give you a thing. But I don't nothing right now. Pocket fracture, empty. Mommy, no money for me, mommy.
No, nothing like that.
No money.
Drink some ginger tea, yeah?
Alright,
And drink some salt water too. Salt water and ginger will help.
Pepsi bus gas too.
How good for gas?
Yeah, man. Pepsi bus gas.
Pepsi boss gas, talk to me. Tell me something.
100%.
You and she do something?
Yeah.
Cha-cha.
Not 4 days ago, man. Me down in night. Saka.
Jawbone. You wear your Wellingtons?
Wellingtons. I could find at the time, you know.
Cha-cha. What is not this?
I find one black plastic bag in the kitchen and I just tie up it, but it still never work out. You both off.
No, my son, when I tell you say you have to turn your hand behind you make fashion and that me mean, you know. How you for mean you make fashion with that?
Come here from your boy, I hear about bread bag, scandal bag, something one garbage bag then find them. Bag it up quick.
You know what that could mean now, eh? You go there unprotected. And now she don't feel well. Well, as a woman, you better start safe.
What do you think of that?
Eh? So what if it really is? What you gonna do?
What me gonna do? If I feel me?
What you gonna do?
I gotta look at work differently still, because I know say me like her same way, me no want nothing to talk on, you know. She run off, left me on the style or so.
it's better to have the opportunity and not be prepared than be my youth could get a job.
Yeah, man,
Because she talk, the way she talk, me a woman take it from me. Better you prepare for the the worst. God blessing can be worse.
I think
But
gas
still.
you have though, but then you say if I not ginger beer bus gas or a Pepsi, so I have to buy a couple of hot Pepsi give me, you know.
Try buy some Wellington boots. And our Father Christmas stocking boots too. I wanna young man love go there without no protection.
Me tells me use a garbage bag, but he just bust. Like in our texture night, you know where vest have. So about a normal purse still, if I breed my breed, man, can't take care of that. Although I not work, I won't have money, but God will provide.
Okay, and children is cheap, right?
A Jamaican is in mommy. Breadfruit the pantry, ackee the pantry,
Baby then you and breadfruit when they come out of farming let them need. And diapers them need that no grow up on tree.
A couple old shirt can go and reminisce pan.
Jesus.
But still better come man. Remember so we not right now, you know. When better
You
come,
better
come.
hope and pray, sir, I guess, you know. You better hope and pray, sir, I guess. Try go check Panar and make sure, sir, I guess a bus and nothing else, no bus.
No, sir. One go there now that
Yeah,
man. And one time bus off, you know.
Yeah, idiot.
Yeah, one time in long, so nothing more breed so fast.
I never realized me
have
really
to live
such
in
a
it.
fool.
Hmm?
Yeah, make you look at it for your big head. Of course it take one time.
No.
And one time me and your father and boots me get you and him run off. So me know
Different
about
time
it.
now, man.
Go look after the Jesus Christ.
Now check for him still.
How you gonna face Candy?
Candy?
You breed chin and have nothing.
You don't know about
how
that.
You
don't know about it. You're not sure. Take a look more, I go house up a look money. And give me go down a doctor place there. And do a look check up.
Try now you better find something fast and quick.
Bridget, man, can't give me a look worse, man, because they know something a born hustler, you know.
Born hustler?
Yeah.
Go wrap it in a Wellington boots.
Don't worry yourself, man. I do the right thing, man.
Jesus Christ, how am I gonna deal with Candy? Gotcha. I can't.
Mommy. Yeah, I know say my money me say me I can't ask you though.
Me?
Yeah.
It's what I talk to you about. It's what I talk to you about though. See now, listen to me. You see how much time I tell us if you stop growing and they talk to man, we cannot give you anything.
So you know me mother, me can't ask you for
You
one
can
money.
ask me for it, but when you have sense, I know if you get things from man. You can't just want grown and sleeping man and not get nothing from them. What do you? You know I come beg me money. When you should have money for yourself and put on money and they come give me one gift for soon Valentine's. Eh? And me I beg money. Big old 1-year-old girl. Me have to steal a minor like I say you're a baby. Or you're underage or nigga at school and something. Eh? Go on to job one. Go ask job one for money. And me I can ask the money right now. Out the road me I go. Out the road me I go. Now, but I look for this way you see right here. So coffee man come feed with choppy yard. You man put it down and so I have no other money more than it. No, but I look for that. Right now out the road me I go. Go look for money on the road. You alright. Go on to your job one. Go on to your wedded, lawful, job one husband. Make him give you everything that you need. Or you go to your mother-in-law, dry foot Charmaine, where face favor bonus price. Damn face favor where you come ask me for money. Me have money right now, I want some money. I can't go and bum business.
Oi, me glad me see you right there. So you know for a man in me I walk and I look for you.
You to be last. And about 3 days now, I not see you.
Listen to me. You see the money where you give me the last 4 days ago. They not real. Me give me mother hit and me mother crush up here. Me say me look like some fool. Me say me shame.
How you not
A
feel real?
fake money you give me.
Not say them something, them man. You mad man, me no walk with fake money, you hear when me win lotto. And me name lotto man. You see anything if you deal with money and me. My mother taking money. I rob you, she rob you man. A real money that. You know, say, your mother not sure you say me buy iPhone. Wish me never know of that, and yes, me say, yeah, me buy iPhone too. So, when you see me, a lot of man, my name. Me know where you come complain, where you come from.
You know, say I up a job when they had me I come from door.
How you go there for? Although me decide, man, me shouldn't even ask him the question this still.
Well, me not feel good, you know. And me go up there if you
And-
ask him if you want a piece of money, but he
And
say
engage.
he don't have any. So me glad me even see you again.
No, let me ask you a question now. You fall in love with a broke man. You feel bad. And you go and tell him say you want to go to a doctor. And you know, carry you know, give you no money, you know, to give $1,000 and him mother not to give 1,000. And you see, and me you did deny all along. You did deny me. And see who you take up they can help you. Suppose a cripple you did for cripple.
Anyways, me can't ask if you want money because me don't feel good and me want money for
Alright, you
doctor.
want me to say now. So like how me like you and then you do a thing one time. Do another thing, you cover up your
But
doctor
me
bill.
tell him me don't feel good. Me
It don't
belly
matter,
hot, me
man. It
can't
don't
win.
matter. You can just hold your belly, just band your belly, man. You can tie something around your belly. Maybe what me I gonna do right now, you know, we easy pain, you know. Cause once pain and pain meet together, you know. A cramp, you know, and done this, you know. You never know that. Right now, if you just feel pain, you take a pill, and a pill of pain, same way, you know. It will easy pain. It's the same thing. It go vice versa. Pain and pain, no more.
Alright, so you have your money then?
Yeah, man, let's not go
Where
over,
they?
over yard, man. Let's come on, man. Go over yard, man.
Go
Yeah,
on.
move, so. We buy your mother 16 Pro Max now. Yeah, move, so. I'm going to tell you, say, it's good, you know, man. Good
So where your
something.
money there?
Eh?
Where your money?
Relax, man. I don't want money. You see your mother now. I go down, say if you go. Yeah, do.
So hold on, what is not this?
What?
So you choose him now?
Oh!
Here,
What you about?
this never.
You really?
Never.
So what? A doctor money you go look and go deal with him now. So if you go tell my son.
How
So
that
you,
this
so
coming?
hold on, you know, you see, you should have shame on yourself. The poor girl want to look doctor money.
And you
not-
and she come out of house?
No.
I'm follow him go over and yard right
Me
there.
beg
So.
him do something for me right this now. Me even stand up out and stand him and do it. You will never see me and I come out of house. You see we walk out of the yard.
Exactly.
Okay.
So what you are trying to imply now?
Okay.
What are you implying?
Okay. So the two and I walk out of the yard. So what my son get him to take. And then Una walk out to the yard.
So
Okay.
it have to mean so we do something?
And you see what me try to show you? Broke poverty. Poverty.
Hey. Looking at the mirror. Cause no, nobody can see no lottery evidence. Eh? So before
No
you
worry
start
about
one
lottery.
point me and call me
You don't worry
vanity,
about that. You're
looking
bad
at the
mind,
mirror.
Bad mind, she bad
Anyway.
mind. She bad mind the money. Go on down to your yard. Don't worry about doctor money right now. She lucky. God don't see you.
Okay.
Because me don't know how you say you have a daughter-in-law and you can't spend for your daughter-in-law. What wrong with that?
Okay. So you're news now. You're news round now.
News or
You're
no?
news round now.
Your
So
son-
not only you know your business, you know everybody business.
Your son needs to spend money for the girl, man.
Okay, so what she have you for? But you know what? Let me take my leave, cause look from this you hear some me carry name. And me nah in that.
Are you come and say that?
Me nah in that.
Are you come and say
Me nah
that?
in that.
Yeah, your
Because
bad breed son.
Now we know what we can answer my son.
Mind the people them pick me.
Alright, me
On
phone.
sick of the people them pick me and can't send them go a doctor. Eh? What's the thing I hear that boy that
So what do you? Abal. Kuya. So 2 dummy I go in here so. One tear where you cry for?
Me ask you if you want little money, you not give me it.
Hey. Papa Jesus, if you don't busy, please can come down here. So big old 20-year-old girl if you go look work. Either you go look work or find a man who can support you. This girl, you want me to still take care of you, right? True. So I'm telling man them where you hide and take. So me send you to job when you not get the money.
No, I'm not get the money. No.
I choose job when you not give the money. Make you cry or I choose me not give the money. Which you want?
2-1.
Which you want? The 2 of them?
2-1.
You see what me I talk to you about? You see what me tell you? Eh? You're not listening. You need to find a man who can support you. So when me not have a figure, them give it to you. Remember, you know? All you live underneath my roof, you know. I mean, still we support you and give you food, shelter, clothes, everything and money now and again, you know. Me not have to do it now until, you know. Me never have to do it and me still do it like me a idiot. Because me not see you go come and coming back with nothing. And all the point your man is job on. You all in your sleep I call out job on. Me lucky now you're broke and me want to take set pan. So me have up to you asking for money and me no give me send it to job when you come and sit down and cry. You lucky ball out your throat hole. Ball out the whole of your soul and your heart. Think me I go drop down and dead. You're cool. So you only have pretty face and just walk around and do with man for nothing at all. You see when time me I talk to you and I tell us if you talk to man with give you money and make you look like a somebody so you can support yourself and buy what you want. You take me feed about suppose me not like him. You're lucky. Me not force you to do with no man where you don't want. I'm going to tell us if you talk to somebody who can help you. If you see that wrong, well, fine. If I'm not put no machete, no knife, no gun on your neck, and they force you to go do nothing, I'm going to tell you if you do it. I'm not force you. It's up to you. You're lucky. Now, look here. You know nothing to do. Different friends sit down and stress out and cry over my money where they think about. Fret about your man money, man. Fret about no money when me not give you. Go along your room and leave me alone. Who you? You have a cockroach. You know you're coming here with fear for your set suffer.
As something me come fit tell you now, you still the on the phone.
This, you know, hear me and talk, me a type. So you can talk to me in the meanwhile, me ears are listening, it's not my finger nor the phone. When me a chat to you, you not listen to me, I mean, know you hear me, you're not deaf, but you not do what me say. What your problem?
I don't feel good, you know. And
What that have to do with me? You don't know a doctor there, and you have man,
I
they give
got
you
a
money.
doctor already.
Oh,
I'm pregnant.
hey God. Huh? What you just say?
You see me?
What you say? Wait there, hold on there. You make a doctor already. And me. You never said the period, they told lie. What you say? I see a period and I'm pregnant yourself. What you just say?
Pregnant.
For who?
I don't know.
For what? You know them a time yeah. Why? Eh? Here you again. No. Father God, no one knows something wrong with my ears. What you just say? You don't know how get you pregnant? I know that you just say. You not just say that. I lie. Wait there, Father God. You can't just clear up my brain for me, please. I'm in my ear with the girl I say. Chin. Me just say to you, say. You think that you made up on my phone, me not hear what you say? But maybe when me a text, maybe me not hear
Me
so
say
good.
me pregnant. You hear now?
Hey! And you're full of attitude with it. Look how you know ambitious rich I can chat to me so. Underneath this a roof here. Eh? Look how long me I try to save one little dollar. Eh? For deck the top. Me a fear use zinc how long much years now. And me a tell you say the lifestyle where me used to live or where they live now. Where me I live now. You see? Me no want you to live them the life there. And me they put you to man we can help you. Although me know me can't force you and me can't choose for you. You reach the age where you can choose for yourself. You think me no know that? But sometimes when you choose and choose the wrong look your whole man. Eh? As bad as thing be, me didn't know your pooper and he stand up and help you. Actually you get big now, he say nah give you nothing again because you know no damn blasted manners and me no wrong him. You don't know no manners but you don't want things from adult. You don't know parents seeing you. You know adult too. Go walk and know you breathe like your name they listen me. Go find the daddy. Because you cannot stay underneath my roof. Where you look around for me suffer? As something new you hear? As something I first hear them kind of talking the way you better get used to it, my love. You're going to have to leave my premises. Leave my place. You cannot stay here no more. And a matter of fact, the rest of your sister them we go pregnant before time. No know them pooper. Eh? They don't know the pooper them feet pitting them. They don't know them known tall. You too. So it's like a trend. So all of uno, come up, come breed. Have sex with man and don't know the daddy. That means you're not loyal. Eh? So you just have sex with anybody and you're not make none of them cover them like old long big old hood. You just take it same way. That's why you breed. Well, it's not me impregnate you. I know me impregnate you. I know me breed you. Me no get you pregnant. Me no have nothing we can do such a thing. Yeah, you vex. Get me a quote. Now your mouth shut. You used to ring with me and I know manners about me a 22. Me a 22. Yeah. I'm if you stop talk to you so and why you see making a like job one. Every time you just a call up job one no. No. You don't know if a job one breed you. Alright, ankle bone. Alright, your foot bone. Alright, your eyeball. There. Sorry for you. You should have listened to me. You're an idiot. You're silent now, not true? You're silent now. You're bad no blouse and skirt. Chin, look at me. You're bad no pranganat. And that you did that do? Worthless. Non-ambitious girl. Use my daughter and me. I have to tell you straight up. Oh, your mind stay so. You no have no ambition. You don't know what. You have a right fit now have no time to talk. You have to give me time to talk. Because when me used to talk to you, you never used to listen to me. So make me chat. Make me full my belly. No wonder why your face vex up and look so sad. Hey, you're pregnant and don't know the daddy. Who is the daddy? Who is the daddy? What a sitting if you go raffle it. Go hear them come chat about. I'm not the father. How you go feel? Eh? Right now, although men they tell us if you go chat to man when me thinks they have money, whether they have it or not, it better when they breed for Popeye. Because me know Popeye a long time, he just stand up and mind that if I ever chat people yard, but you're one little ungrateful girl. Popeye tell me say, you they act like you don't want him. Yeah. But you see man taking money and go to Burger King the other day, you big and think and work this. You better cook. You know what? You are going to go over Shamian, go stay. She will want grandchildren. Me have as much already the rest of your sister them. We don't know the pitney them daddy. So me go carry you go over. You know what? It come like me did smell a rat. It come like me did know because guess what? You see true, you want to go sleep at job one yard and come back in a family bed. Eh? We do not nasty me sometimes you go away and come back on the bed, me pack up your bag. Because me tell myself say, me soon send you out if you not go look a job. But even if you ain't go stay a little longer, how you go stay now? You can't bother stay. You're breathing. What me say? Chin, look at me. No talk to me so. You're full of attitude all when picking me. You got me sorry for you. I hope when you go in a labor room, go, meh! You know if you push. And tell them it's not me now. You know what now? February, you idiot. Come out and me place. See your bag there. Take it up and go on. All of your drawers them in there. And the whole of your clothes them where you wear and expose yourself to your one job one to see you. But you don't want Papa look for you. Go on over Charmian yard. I will be behind you. I'm coming. I am coming. Go on. They go come right now too. Can you go over Charmian yard, go left you, make you go turn with job on your favor. I don't know if you say.
Why, my son? I'm glad if it's still because I forget to tell you from the other day.
What that now?
You know, we are pre the one Popeye says something fishy.
He call from what I not see him. I not see him. What you call the word there? I don't even remember the word there. You know, henka, I use a big word, henka.
The other day, me see him and China come out from Faith in him yard. And then can't explain why. May I tell you, my son, she a come and talk about upset belly. You a talk about say bag wrap and not Wellington. Something in a something. China straight. Me raise a little girl like my own, but you are mine.
When me use the bag, you know, me know so nothing never bust off, you know.
What?
What go on now for me not see you from when?
No, man, me there around, man, but we kind of look busy. I have to work, I have to put in the work to get some money, you know?
Nah, see
But
you
I
man
think you're a
fight to me say.
millionaire, how you have to put in work.
You know, pay money for work for you.
Which millionaire?
Oh, so you never win the lottery?
No!
Oh, me no, man.
Where
And I show off.
You think me I idiot?
But now talk about that now. Mama tell me say while ago, you know, where your China come from?
So
Come over your yard.
So hold on, let me ask you a question. Now you're a woman.
But where am I do over your yard?
So when you ask me then the question, the fact.
You don't live with me.
Me it's just a
Where am I
side
do over
man.
your yard?
You know,
What?
No, I mean like that.
Oh, no. We have to take your first answer like saying at the game show.
No.
You're a side man.
No, that
And that if you say.
So anything you want, you must take. While you are taking too.
So anything where you come out and for me.
Confession good for your soul, Papa.
Me never really say side, you know.
A side, you say.
We say me are the slide man, like slide.
You say a
slide.
slide in. Well,
you
him a
take it
slide
on
out,
me
you a
mouth.
slide in.
No, we don't mean, why you think? Why you always
But
think
listen me out
negative?
now, listen me out. Where you are, what you not do over your yard?
Oh, she did help me fix something in her yard.
What you mean by help to fix something? Money can't pay money for that.
Where money? 9 to 5 I do, you know, I work at night.
No, 1 million,
Right
where
now, if you
1
take all
million.
right.
1 million where you win a lot of.
Me not win a lot. It's just a hint me get say somebody in a self bite, you know. Me not win a lot, man.
Okay, so that you have a fool, my friend.
Brother,
And that you have a fool, my
shut
friend,
him
I
up,
turned her in a puppy show.
So broke and
Hey.
broker.
shut him up.
Hey.
Broke and broker, not true.
What?
Broke and broker.
Make me
The
sweat,
blood
bro.
of Jesus against I shall rich one day.
Rich. You're
So,
a
you
liar.
know what I mean?
No,
One,
man,
two.
nobody want you, man.
1, 2, after how
Listen
you
me out.
cuss me down when you think
Man,
you
I
did
want
have
you again,
money.
you know.
No, sir.
Step aside, back away from my mother.
Please,
Back
I'm
away
tired.
from my
Sister,
mother.
come. See her, sister.
How you going back?
Joe, what you do to me? Joe, really?
I know where's the papa you live.
When you talk about, when you, oh, my name coming at this.
Come
It's
come
a
from over
side
your
man.
yard. No, no, it's side
Claim
man
your
that.
empress.
Over
Are you
my
are the
yard.
side
She come
man?
from her yard, not my yard.
No, other day.
And, oh, sure, other day she helped me.
Where you
fix
do over my
something.
yard?
What?
Where you do over my yard? Now look for him, you know. Where you do over my
That's
yard?
something we go deal with
What
over
tell
here.
me?
Where you go deal with so?
Oh.
If you want 1 minute.
Oh, I see.
1
And then
minute.
you look at me, me not deal with 1
Then you
minute,
come tell
man.
me, say you belly hot
Me
you.
not deal with minute maid.
As
We are talking about.
A
Relax,
1 minute,
man.
a 1 minute you
You know
depend.
what I'm saying?
Nobody with me.
Hold on there.
Nobody with
See
me.
your friend come check you. Yeah.
Why,
Okay,
man?
nobody with me.
What happened, my friend? What happened? What happened with you?
You see me now? Me no know long talking with nobody.
What happened?
Cause right now my heart grieve.
Oh, yeah,
God.
grieve.
You see me daughter? Your son breeder.
No.
Me no think so.
Panty so.
What?
Me not think
He
so.
just come
Me
in
not
and
think
say
so.
my side man. And
Me
him
not
and
think
she
so.
go do things. Miss Sierra come out to him yard and she just tell it say him last for a minute. So pint the hand
No
son. Nobody pint it for my son.
Listen me out. I hear daughter. Ask
how
me what papa you go do.
Well,
Your daughter no like me from man when your daughter no talk.
What am I do over here the other day?
Yeah.
What am I do over
Juice
here?
to 1 minute.
You just say
Me,
we're going to help me do
me,
something. I have to say
CR.
to you know.
Juicy.
Me, CR.
Show her the proof.
Me, CR.
Charmian, like
Yes.
how you well want grandchildren, she pregnant.
No, me no want
Make
Papa
sure she
Pitney.
stay-
Me no want Papa Pitney. Are your daughter?
Oh, make sure
Are
she
your
stay
daughter
in the
and a
room.
Papa?
Sorry.
No. Me
I'm
love
being
your
nice.
chin.
Come over here.
Me love your chin, but go to your side, man. You 1 minute maid. A minute maid this. Go
Control
take
that.
your minute maid. Nobody put no blame
Yo,
on my
I
show.
said do it.
Oi,
Poverty. I said it. Breed people, girl picking it.
You breed people get picking you and putting on annex man. It's a workless
Hello.
boy.
No, we no lottery neither.
He's a workless boy. You want company from me?
It's a poverty breed, poverty.
Hold on there. Hold on there 1 minute there. Where them a chat about?
You can't follow them, my friend. Them are
So
look.
Papa, you never win a lotto?
Win
Them
which
are
lotto?
look. Come on, come on.
Win which
I
lotto?
work, I work in the
Papa,
park.
where you get money by phone, give me?
We buy for you.
Papa, where you get money and by phone,
Hey.
give me?
Oh God, you're my
Never say
friend, but still.
What?
Me ask you if you know where you know your money a come from.
Which?
No, me no say always going and chop up the yard, but he say win lotto.
Your mother tell us to me buy phone.
That's a year 9 to
Yes.
5.
We never buy a phone, your mother, you know. I never. Allah, your mother tell you.
I think me take phone then.
Allah,
I
your
know
mother
what you're
tell you.
doing, you know, Papa. Cause my besties no teeth.
Hold on.
Say
You
you
miss
buy
phone
phone.
Her
over
head might a hot, but she ain't no teeth.
Oh,
so now what you do?
wait, which one I know miss phone over? Calm most teeth, me teeth. You don't make
No,
me
see,
feel
man,
No,
like
what
phone,
you do?
Me have my phone and my phone in teeth.
Oh, look at
And
your
me
phone
not the
car. It look like
iPhone,
me teeth when I
Android,
no
me
phone car.
deal
Phone
with.
yard me always come
No,
and
Alright.
sorry.
Hey,
you know
know
my
what
phone
you
give
do?
me.
You know, you call my sister in the
alright.
teeth.
No.
Know what you do? You know?
Confession is
Alright,
good for
Mr.
this one.
Minute.
Let me tell you how me come by the phone now. I was at work. I was at
Papa, you
work.
know buy one phone, give me.
Well, I'm talking now.
Oh, talk.
I was at work working.
I feed them yard alone, me come and me sure
And
they
I
no miss
just
no
turn
phone.
up
Yeah.
and give me the phone. And true, me already have a iPhone already.
Ah.
But I can't come here.
And tell me say I buy for me.
Until
As
I
a
buy
friend,
mine.
to your
So
way
hold on
me
now.
daughter.
Cut long to short. How you millions go? You say you win lotto now. How the part they go? That
So you have to
one
do
no.
this. So what you
No,
have
me
to
have
do
to go
this?
everywhere.
7 million the way you promise me, because you say you win like a baby.
That's
Okay.
much.
That's why me tell you,
So,
Candy,
Papa,
don't
you-
run money down, it will run from you.
No, me not. Me have to
What
run it
show
down.
him
Him
at?
just
What
not
show him
alone.
take on off for
No,
idiot?
no,
And
listen.
him give me 3 bills.
Hey, the 3 fake money me hear about.
So, hold on there.
Hey,
Huh?
hey.
No,
But-
wait there.
Mommy, them is a yam field.
So, you trick me say you win lotto. Eh?
Me
And you
tell us
trick me
about
that
lotto.
with
You tell
$300.
everybody. Now,
You show your ticket.
Charmian,
When one low
you
life,
know I
man.
said, Papa, trick me daughter with 300 US for your fake.
Jaja, me hear about it.
Papa, so get your phone from guest and give me and tell me about me and your friend.
And
you
get
buy
free
phone, give me.
pum.
So true, you
Free,
want
of
me daughter.
course.
You give me the
And
phone
free
and tell me
baby
say
too.
you buy phone, give me.
And free baby too.
And him
And when you done, Papa, you turn round and...
Hold on.
Eh?
But you say again, she never hear her good.
What you say, the daughter?
And him give
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, the truth.
You want company
Come
for
on.
me?
God
And you
provide
give
a
me because
weakness.
you keep on a
Wait, hold on there, Charmian.
Hey, let me take this.
Hold on there.
Hold on to this, sis.
Wait, me now, no hand. Wait, hold it for me.
Listen,
Mine,
where you say your mother again? I should
use
do what?
this and make it mine in
Hold on,
picnic.
hold
Let me
hold
hear
on.
what she
Hold on.
say. What you just say? And who breed you? And a job one breed you?
a Popeye.
Tell lie.
A
A job one
Popeye.
breed you.
A
No,
Popeye.
no, put it on my
Popeye.
son. And the
Popeye.
rich
Hold on.
man.
Come right here, so.
How you happen now? How you happen
No,
now?
Nobody back way.
You serious?
Run up there, nobody back way.
Jane, and a job one get you pregnant?
Yeah.
When me dey carry money come give you that I see him.
The fake money?
Lord God,
So
so you
a
give
Papa
it.
give you fake money and breed you.
Jaja.
Papa.
But you never a virgin at the time. Lord God, you take your virginity for fake
And then
money.
let's sit there
Hi.
so and you say me and your friend?
No, listen.
Papa,
And I'm a goddaughter. I'm a goddaughter. I'm a goddaughter. You do this. So I want put it on my son. Eh? I want me
Man,
and
mommy,
my
have
fight,
one
me and
thing,
my
now push me
sister
down,
to
man.
fight.
Sure.
Look
Big
how you
blood.
come in. Try come in and
Father God.
know what you're gonna do, okay?
Mommy, you can escort them out of your
Take the
place
phone
now.
and sell it. It's a start.
Mommy, you can escort them out of your place now.
No.
Yeah.
My friend, I'm a sister.
But them might try to frame me.
And goddaughter.
Remember-
No, them they just get blinded
No.
a
Remember
little
your friend
bit.
class me, you know. Remember in class me.
Believe say you get me
Remember how
daughter
in class
pregnant
me.
because you know no in
Remember
love.
them might try to tell lie for me, say I'm my pitney, I see it. Me see them.
No, but if you not sound no in love, I don't like you no one another.
But if you are push sheep
know
and
say I know
papa,
you
what you
breed her.
expect?
So all the time you run my daughter, you don't get no front.
I know.
Me still a go cuss you, you worthless.
Hey, done it now.
We ain't
Anything
done.
you
You
should
should
have
have
shamed.
shamed. Me
You
not
should
shame.
have shamed.
Shut up your
And me
ass.
still
Oh, me
the
shame for
fire
20-year-old girl go bring.
Oh God.
Anything-
You're not
anything
shame.
will happen
You're
to me and
people
you
out
cause
and
it
now
because
people
of
out
your
to
fault.
man
No,
here.
no shame not in this.
Oh God.
Your son not no money
Oh
neither.
God, what me?
So
you
it
never
make
pimp him out
two.
to me son. You pimp him out to a man that had no money.
Oi,
You is a useless
Yeah, nobody
pimp.
now quarrel, man. You're
You is a
I don't know
useless
why you're
pimp.
short. Why you're short? You act like I say your son have money. Why
Son,
you short? You act
son,
like me
son.
and
You
argument.
still around
You act
that
like
money
me and
can
your quarrel.
Stop the argument, no
Your
man.
son
Stop
not
the
no money and
argument.
papa ain't have
Listen
no
me
money.
out.
You
What's the
pimp
point?
Listen me out. If I didn't
What's
meet
the
breeder,
point?
shoulda
What's
alright.
Out your
Who
pimp
How about
to
this?
a poor man that lying trick.
Why you create excitement
Oh,
like me and
God.
an argument?
Oh God.
This girl is
Don't
20 years
diss my
old.
son.
Me a
Don't
diss
diss
him.
my son.
You
Don't
can't
diss my
stop me
son
from
in my
dissing
yard.
him.
But
Don't
come out
diss
to
him
me yard.
already. Me
Come
nah-
out to me yard. Miss
Okay.
Pimp my
Me nah
ride.
come
And you
out.
don't even know how to pimp
Me nah
properly.
come
Even if
out.
you pimp him properly.
You ever know a
pimp
pimp that got to a broke customer
Oi.
as she did?
Me no Ali, but me no work for
Me
you. Me
feel
must say me
sorry
get a
for
phone.
you. Me
You-
sorry
all
for
when I
you.
get
If
it
me
by
never
me
take
get it.
if me never take it out of your pocket, you wouldn't
No,
even
after
get
this me
that.
attack. When me
Okay.
see me, I can't give him back. But he have to go give me money. Me attack me own a phone. Me phone when buy give me. You crazy?
Buy
Me no
you.
want this.
Okay. My
You
son.
can get phone and a
Me
brand
what
new
is
one,
it
so
you
nothing.
say buy give me when me believe
He
say
come in
buy
and light.
give me?
Mommy,
And
listen me
still
now.
I
See,
believe
when
say
you
buy
run
give me,
down
and when
money,
you say I
you
get
turn
him.
idiot.
I don't care. Me still get a
Turn
phone from him.
idiot
I
for
told
money.
Papa show them
And me
master.
can sell this and sell that the phone there too. And give you. Make you find Papa yard. Yeah, I'm gonna buy picnic clothes with it.
Yeah, no
Matter of fact, hold this.
Quick.
To the right, Papa.
Put for sale on it and sell that cloth. And you see phone when you give me and get from this when tell me say buy give me I go give you and you sell that. And you find me in yard. Papa thinks say I'm in trick or you in trick.
Who are one in
You
trick?
can't
Who are one in
trick
trick?
me 'cause
Who
Papa
are one
is
in
grind me.
Who
Are
are
you
one
the
in
Papa
trick?
your
Are
friend?
you
Me
pushing?
never
Who
call
are
my
one?
friend.
Are
Me
you
can't tell
pushing poor little girl
Hey.
for him?
Shut for your
Same
mouth.
Wrong
I never
clinic.
tell you to go open up your shop
Wrong
and Papa
clinic.
come in your shelf. go
Daddy
take
not
a-
available. Wrong
I tell you
clinic.
say Papa you have money so you can go talk to him because you need something in life.
I
Go
will
open
tell
your
you
phone.
say no, your tell you say a
Ah,
job
when
one
you
you
me
want your
daughter.
class
Ah,
job
who
one.
tell us
And
if
you force me because you say me
Me
under
force you
your
to grind
rule.
job one? No. Me force you to grind Papa? No. You have all of the option whether you want open up your shop door or not and you let him in there. You're lucky. Now you breed, you're 20 yard, find Papa yard. And you know what? Me not come back a phone yard, you know, because you see it one.
Don't come back.
God.
You see it one?
Don't come back.
Are you with me?
You
Oh, don't let far.
You promise?
Don't let far.
Me, I mean, carry around ya.
Me say
Yes,
don't
you carry
leave far.
on,
Go on
yeah.
back to your mother.
Chin, good luck. Me pray for you, my girl.
Boy, my heart break. My heart hurt me, mommy.
Oh God, baby.
Me
You
heart.
see what a lucky chance you get away
My
from?
heart hurt me, mommy.
You look yourself
Me
or
can't.
something else to hurt you. Next time you use that head and think instead of that head. And you wouldn't get in this situation.
Which head?
Eh?
I one head got... No, me not going to my house.
Eh?
What kind of me no use
And
head.
God and the ancestors help you this
Me no
time.
use head. My heart hurt, but me no use head.
Lord, God, you don't use no head and nothing. And you can go with girl like...